May, may I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Item 11, Your Lordship. In the
Item-
last occasion, I was asked to file additional affidavit, Your Lordship.
Huh.
That I could not file, Your Lordship. I am seeking 1 week's time, Your Lordship.
Item 11.
11,
Yeah, Mr.
A.M. Khan.
Mr. M. Khan, please, on request made by Mr. Matter of the 1 week to enable him to file an additional.
All right.
Yeah, I think that's okay, no?
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
I am paying for listing of one writ petition. It is a matter of 2020. The petition, I am on behalf of the respondents, my lord. The writ petitioner is no more in the world, my lord. He is expired in 2022 last month. So he is claiming some conveyance or some transportation. This may be taken up for others in any on 22nd of. My lord, may I pray for mention of writ petition, my lord, may be taken on Monday, my lord, pertaining to Anganwadi worker, my lord, 2021 matter, my lord. 20, all right.
It needs your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 39 of today's daily list.
This list.
Yes, lordship. Lordship, we need some time to get
One
in our
minute. 1 minute.
3 weeks, lordship. We've taken consent on the other side.
Chaudhary. Third, Mr. DJ Das.
Lordship, on behalf of him, lordship, please.
No, counsel for the petition. On request made by
B. Gugoi, lordship.
B. Gogol and the standing counsel,
Lordship. Health Department.
Health Department. List the matter after
3 weeks, lordship.
3 weeks.
Lordship, it is not inconvenient, lordship. May I pray for a date, to lordship? Any date after 3 weeks?
List. Then they say, on request made, 3 weeks time is allowed. We file counter affidavit.
Lordship.
List on. Give a date.
10, 11, 12, any 19th or much of it. Lordship, lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, with consent of the other side, my lord, I beg to mention item number 28, my lord. My lord, kindly adjourn for the day, my lord. 2 weeks time may be granted.
Therefore,
Petitioner, my lord, S. Rana.
on request made by us, list the matter after 2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged.
May I please?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention for listing, Lordship,
Yeah.
pending cases, Lordship, pensionary benefit. So, Lordship, fix a date, Lordship. Pensionary benefit.
April. 8 April.
Obliged.
May I please, Lordship?
Uh.
Lordship, I beg to mention for the listing of the writ petition, Lordship, which was last listed in the month of November, Lordship.
Uh.
So related to disabled person of the appointment. Thank you, Honorable.
5th April.
Please, Your Lordship. I pray for listing of a contempt matter for orders, Lordship. On any date next week, as per Your Lordship's.
27th.
Much of it.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention for item number 9,
Yeah. What do you want?
kindly adjourn the matter for the day.
You good name?
M. Bora.
And request made by MS M. Boral and the council for petition, list after. Yeah.
Master. May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, please.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 38 with the consent of the other side.
38.
38.
1.
The Lordship, we need some time to file the affidavit in reply. 2 weeks time may be granted.
Your good name?
On behalf of, I am from the petitioner.
Uh,
I'm mentioning on behalf of Mrs. A. Bujurgurwa.
On request made on behalf of MSA Bajar Boral and the council for the petition. 2 weeks time is allowed to file reply to the counter file by date.
Pardon, Your Lordship?
You want to file reply, isn't it?
Yes, Your Lordship.
To the counter file by? Counter affidavit filed by whom?
By the petitioner.
You want to file reply to the counter affidavit?
Yes, Your
Who
Lordship.
filed the counter affidavit?
The government,
But
the
this-
respondent authority, sorry,
List after 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yes.
Much obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention matter listed before court number 16, Lordship.
Ah.
Lordship, item number 34. In this matter, we have a urgency, Lordship. Lordship, may I pray to take up this matter today before
The cost list is deferred. Cost list is deferred. If there's any other urgent matter to be listed, that's a different thing, but so far, any mention in the cost list, that cost list is different. Isn't it? Is that a-
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention for listing. So matter we got up admission on 18th of March.
Why?
Very urgent matters, area
27.
obliged.
Item one of daily withdrawal.
Yes,
For withdrawing, Lordship.
why?
As per instruction, Lordship.
They've complied with the order. Unto whose instructions?
As per my senior instruction, Lordship.
They've complied with the order. Respondents have complied with the order.
Lordship, I have.
Okay, MS.
The actor.
Yeah, Learned Counsel for the petition. Request for withdrawal of this contempt petition. Contempt petition is accordingly dismissed on withdrawal.
So motion.
May I please, your lordship? Contempt petition, lordship may kindly peruse the judgment and order dated 29/5/2023, which is at page number 16, and relevant portion, lordship, is at page number 18.
Oh.
Page number 18, paragraph 4. Paragraph 4, lordship. This order has been violated. Now this, that's why this contempt petition is being filed.
No time frame is given.
3 months.
Where is that? Where is that?
Paragraph number 5, lordship, time is not given. The undertaking so quoted herein above shall form a part of the instant order, and the respondent municipal board shall be bound to comply with the same. They are bound to comply with the same.
Yeah,
And
no,
lordship,
there's no time frame given, so well, I'll
this
give
order,
I'll give a time frame to comply with your.
1 month, lordship, because this order was passed on May. In May, lordship,
Mr.
2020.
Mr. Your good name,
G. Samua.
G. Chamuan, Learned Counsel. By this contempt petition, the petition is alleging willful disobedience of the order dated 29/5/2022, passed by this court in WBC number 590/2021. The operative portion of the order dated 29/5/2022 reaches under page 18 from paragraph 8 to 8. A perusal of the order dated 29/5/2022 would indicate that no time frame was given to comply with the directions passed in the said order. Accordingly, this contempt petition is disposed of, directing the respondents to comply with the order dated 29/5/2022, passed in WBC number 590/2021, in a period of 2 months on the date of receipt of the copy of the order.
Within lordship,
2 months.
2 months. Deeply obliged, my lord.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, in this matter, the petitioner is not getting his pensionary benefit and the order is of 2024 to 2023, lordship. It is annex here as page number 9, annexer 1, paragraph 22 and 23.
Paragraph
22 and 23, lordship.
when was the order passed?
Lordship in 17/8/2023.
What is the period of limitation
No limitation has,
for filing contempt?
lordship, almost 5 months gone when you file this.
2023, isn't it?
Yes, lordship.
Okay, okay. There's no limits. It was passed in 2023.
Yes, lordship.
Here also no time limit is given.
Lordship,
No time period.
no time to be given, lordship.
You will tell them to comply within 2 months.
Lordship, we have filed representation on
That's a different thing. Third, Mr.
NLE on behalf of Armorinder.
N. Ali, Learned Counsel, apply on behalf of Mr. R. Maginder, Learned Counsel to the petitioner. So, by this contempt petition, petitioner is alleging willful disobedience of the order dated 17/8/2023, passed by this court in WBC number 2626/2011. Stop. The operative portion of the order dated of the judgment in order dated 17/8/2023, it's on page 18. 8 to 8. For a perusal of the order dated 17/8/2022 would indicate that no time frame was given for implementation of the directions passed in 17/8, passed in the judgment in order dated 17/8/2022. Accordingly, this contempt petition is disposed of, directing the respondents to comply with the directions passed in in the judgment in order dated 17/8/2022, passed in WBC 2626/2011, within a period of 3 months. Date of this, a copy of the order.
Yes, lordship.
In this matter, the final gradation list in regard to surveyor or suspend tenancy, lordship. But the instruction on behalf of lordship, the Commandant General Home Guard is still awaited, lordship. So therefore, lordship, I seek for some time, lordship.
Why is it coming for motion?
May I please, my lord? My
Why
lord,
is it coming for motion?
my lord, on the last occasion when this matter was listed, my lord, there was a remark saying that the prayer for the interim will be considered on the next statement.
No, why is it coming for motion today? Notice was issued.
This was issued,
It
my
should
lord.
have come for admission, Lordship.
Uh, But Mr.
K. Vishwakarma, my lord.
B. K. Vishwakarma and what interim did you pray for?
Yes, my lord. My lord, since I'm being aggrieved by the final gradation list, which was issued by the concerned department, my lord, where my seniority was not considered. My lord, page number 83
Yeah.
is the final gradation list.
Uh.
The Indrajit Hasnu serial number, starting from serial number 2, my lord. Samila Kumar Brahma, Indrajit Hasnu, Devajit Bathari. These are the 3 candidates who are junior to me. That is what my specific submission. How they are junior to me, I have referred this even in the last occasion, Lordship. So the
Where is your name
yes,
in the gradation list?
my lord, may kindly come to page number 85. Serial number 34, Bhuven Boda. Serial number 35, Navajyoti Homagan. These are the 2 petitioners, Lordship, who are placed in serial number 34 and 35.
So you're claiming seniority over all this?
No, my lord, I'm claiming seniority over the 4 and 5. 2, 3, and 4.
2, 3, and 4.
2, 3, and 4. Why, my lord? Because
That means your name has to come in serial number 2.
no, my lord. Actually, my lord, item number 5 is also there, which is connected matter. Here, serial number, the existing people who are in serial number 5 and 6, they should go to serial number 2 and 3. And my name should come in 5 and 6.
And 2, 3, and 4?
2, 3, and 4, my lord, since they are very junior to me, accordingly, the date of initial date of appointment should be considered.
Initial date of appointment?
Yes. And how I am showing my initial date of appointment, my lord? Right from day one, I have been protected by this honorable court. And from day one itself, the other authority, the respondent authority, had been following an unguided rules according to which they have been doing everything in an arbitrary manner.
Are you not supposed to make them respondent parties?
Who, my lord?
2, 3, and 4?
My lord, I'm not making them because till now, I'm being aggrieved by the action of the department. Till now, they have not been promoted. Since they have not been
But in
promoted,
the gradation list, they're senior to you, isn't it?
Any order passed by this
In
court
the
will be
gradation
affected.
list, they're senior to you,
yes, ma'am.
isn't it?
In the final gradation list, wrongly it is placed by the department.
So if this final gradation list is going to be interfered by this court,
Yes, ma'am.
they will have to come down and you'll have to go up, isn't it?
Yes, lordship.
Then are they not supposed to be heard?
My lord, that is true, lordship. But since I have been deprived by the action till now, my lord, by the action, but I'm understanding what your lordship is.
You're
I
challenging
understand. Yes,
you're challenging the gradation list or not?
yes, lordship. I'm challenging the gradation.
Are they not supposed to be made parties?
Not only them, Lordship, even the others.
Okay.
Everybody will get affected. If any order. So no interim order, Lordship, until the others is perfect
Until you
respondent.
make them parties, no orders can be. How? You want to implement them as parties?
Yes, my lord.
How much time do you require?
Within a week, my lord, we will.
Okay, Mr. K. Vishwakarma and responsible for the petitioners. Prays for a week's time to file an appropriate application for improvement of necessary parties. List after 1 week. In the meantime, you take instructions.
My lord, can that prayer of interim can be continued, my lord, in the next week, lordship?
Okay,
He makes party and
let him make the party after.
Okay. 5. My lord, item number 5 is also the same item.
Same gradation list.
Same gradation list.
Here also party,
Yes, lordship. It's the same issue.
you'll have to make them parties, isn't it?
Yes, lordship.
Same order.
I oblige, lordship.
It please your lordship. But as per the last order, my lord, the government was sought to bring certain instructions, my lord.
We have received one instruction, lordship, from the ICDS Goalpara, lordship. The thing is that, lordship, may I just read out, lordship? It is very. The name of the petitioner, Runalila, was selected in the interview of under 174 Bahata, that Anganwadi Center. The earlier Anganwadi worker, Sahera Begum Banu, has been terminated from service. The petitioner was selected as Anganwadi worker for ward number 174, Bahati Sir, Bhatipara Anganwadi Center by the department. The earlier Anganwadi worker, Mrs. Sahera Bhanu Begum, filed the case before the Honorable Guwahati High Court, and hence the petitioner was not allowed to join her post because of the order of High Court and Director of Department. The present post of Anganwadi worker at 174, Bharati Sir Bhatipara Center, is still vacant,
Yes.
and petitioner can be allowed to join her post as Anganwadi worker.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, as per the order of the Honorable Guwahati High Court in WPC 723 of 24, this office states that petitioner can be allowed to join her post of Anganwadi worker at 174 if there is no other legal issues.
My lord, my grievance has been addressed.
No,
If your lordship will allow me to place the facts.
where is the order of the, that,
My lord,
what,
will
which writ petition? Which writ petition is pending?
WPC 723 of 24, lordship.
this writ petition. The instant writ petition which your lordship is taking up.
Yeah, that way.
No, there's another writ petition filed, isn't it?
No, my lord. Let me paste the facts, my lord. My lord, will
That
kindly
another
sue
petition
the,
was been filed by Lordship Sahera Bhanu Begum,
Huh.
the other one.
That has been dismissed.
That number is not been met. So there, Lordship, you have to find out what order has been.
my lord,
filed.
I have annexed that order. I have annexed that.
Where is that
petition.
order?
My lord will kindly see at page 43. My lord, because this writ petition was dismissed, thereafter at page 45, the director writes to the CDPO. At page 45, your lordship will kindly see.
45.
The Director of Women and Child Welfare Development, he writes a letter to the Child Development Project Officer.
1 minute.
Yes. On 17th of August 2022.
1 minute.
Yes.
One, three, five. Yeah, what is your case here?
Yes, my lord. My lord will kindly come at page 24. There was an advertisement issued by the Child Development Project Officer
For filling
at
up,
the ICDS project. Yes. My
you
lord will
applied for which course?
I applied for serial number 2, my lord.
174.
Yes, my lord.
Then,
Anganwadi worker.
uh,
Thereafter, my lord, this post was advertised because of page 31. At page 31, the earlier incumbent who was working, she was terminated from service. Because she was terminated, that post became vacant, and as a result, this advertisement was issued. Thereafter, my lord will kindly see at page 36. After valid selection process, I was selected at serial number 4. The original is at page 37. I have annexed the type copy at page 36. So lordship will kindly see at serial number 4. This Anganwadi Center 174. The name of the petitioner, name of the candidate, address, and the name of the post, Anganwadi worker. My lord, when this select list was published, the earlier incumbent, she filed a writ petition before this honorable court, and there an interim order was passed. That has been communicated at page 38, that interim order. So lordship will kindly see the court paragraph. In the view of the matter, no appointment shall be made without leave of this court in terms of the advertisement dated 8/2/2019. This is the same advertisement which I am relying. And this order is at page 40.
So my humble
Yes.
submission is that lordship,
At page 34. At page 38, the lordship will kindly mark WPC 151353/2019. Thereafter, my lord, at page 40, this was the interim order which was passed against this post. Thereafter, my lord, this writ petition attained finality at page 34, at page 43, which
Yes.
your lordship went through.
Oh.
Since this writ petition was dismissed, thereafter, at page 45, the Director, Women and Child Welfare Development, he writes a letter to the CDPO stating that since there is no other now legal impediment, the petitioner may be allowed to join. At second paragraph, you are directed to strictly comply with the Honorable Guwahati High Court's order dated 8/3/2022 immediately and issue the letter of expression of interest to accept the voluntary service as Anganwadi worker against the Anganwadi Center. That's why your lordship kept it in motion column and asked to speak the specific instruction whether this letter can be applied. So now since they have stated that I can be allowed to join.
Yes, Baro, let me see your instructions. Yes. Third, Mr.
K. Mohammed Pal.
K. Mohammed Lali Council. Also at Mr. CKS Baro Lali. Government advocate,
for all the respondents.
appealing for all the respondents. Stop. The Baro. The Child Development Project Officer. Matia Integrated Child Development. Comma. Matia, comma, Golbara. Issued an advertisement dated 8/2/2019. Calling applications, inviting applications for rendering voluntary service as Anganwadi health workers or helpers. Against various Anganwadi centers for Matia Integrated Child Development Project under Social Welfare Department. Stop. The petitioner applied for number 174 Bahati Char Bhatipar
Yes, ma'am.
Center. And after due selection process was selected in the final selection list of Anganwadi workers and Anganwadi helpers. In the set final selection list, the name of the petitioner appeared as serial number 4
Yes.
against 174 number Pata Bahatichar Bhatipara. Stop. The set select list with regard to number 174 number with regard to 174 number Bahatichar Batipara was challenged by one Sahara Banu Begum by way of filing WBC number 1353 of 2015. And this court, by order dated 8/3/2022, passed an interim order.
My lord, the interim
No,
order
no,
is
no.
interim
Uh,
order
uh,
27/2.
WBC and this court, by order dated 27/2/2019, passed an interim order directing that no appointment shall be made without the leave of this court in terms of the advertisement dated 8/2/2019.
Yes.
The said writ petition number WBC 1353 2019 was thereafter dismissed for non-execution by order dated 8/3/2022.
Yes.
Stop. Para. Consequent that the women and the director women and child development Assam wrote to the child development project officer, Matia ICDS project Golpara on 17 August 2022, directing to comply with the court's order dated 8/3/2022 and to issue letter of expression of interest to accept the voluntary service as Anganwadi worker against the said Anganwadi center. Part. Grievance of the writ petitioner in this writ petition is that despite her selection,
Yes.
she is yet to be given her appointment
Yes,
till date.
yes.
Para. On 28/2/2024, this court directed the learned government advocate to take instructions. Stop. Today, when the matter is called up, the government advocate submits, has produced a communication dated 27 February 2024. This is before you got it, isn't it?
This lordship, I have, this lordship,
This is before the order was passed.
No, my lord, the earlier order was passed on 16/2/2024. Thereafter, yes.
Then on top, on 16th, before this court directed, not 28 to 2024. Stop. Today, when the matter is called up, then the government advocate has produced a communication dated 27 February 2024, written by the Child Development Project Officer, containing the Parawaz instructions. And in the said Parawaz instructions, it is stated that the petitioner can be allowed to join her post as Anganwadi worker at number 174 Bahatijar Batipara Anganwadi Center if there is no other legal issues. Stop. Considering the considering the communication dated 27 February 2024, and also the fact that WBC number 1353 of 2019 has already been dismissed.
Yes.
By the order dated 8/2022. The respondents, particularly the respondent number
Respondent number?
Child Development Project Officer.
Yes,
isn't it?
Notary.
Respond number 4
Yes, Notary. Respondent number 4.
is directed to offer,
Allow her, my lord.
to allow the petitioner to join as Anganwadi worker of number
174.
174.
174 number, Bhati Chal,
Bahati Chal, Hatipara Sundar.
Anganwadi. sir.
Within a period of
3 weeks.
3 weeks from the date of receipt of a copy of the order.
Yes, sir.
The petitioner is also permitted to furnish a certified copy of this order to the respondent number 4.
Yes.
With petition is accordingly disposed of.
I'm deeply aware.
The communication dated
That may be retained with directly.
27 February 2024 is placed on record.
Deeply aware.
7.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, make accordance to appointment of Ram Pradhan, your lordship. And here, your lordship, I have been duly selected, your lordship.
Mm.
At page number 22, your lordship. At serial number 15, your lordship.
Page number
22,
is
serial number 13, your lordship. It was a list, lordship, published on 11 March 23, your lordship. Lordship, now the appointment is yet to be, is pending, your lordship. In the meantime, your lordship, similarly situated person, your lordship, from the state selection list has been appointed. Today, the matter was third time fixed for obtaining instructions, your lordship.
yes.
Lordship, I have received the instructions in the morning, Lordship. I have given one copy to him to supply the hard copy to Lordship, Lordship. What has been stated in the instruction, Lordship, with reference to the subject cited, and what I would like to inform you that from the online case status, WPC 86920, it seems to have been registered in the name of Hamilton Deka. So, however, there are public complaints submitted by President and Secretary, Assam Tea Tribe Students Association, Koliyabor, sub-branch, Mahesh School, Ganju, and 287 others of the local people of Sekoni, Borbula against Solimali. In this regard, inquiry was conducted by Circle Officer Koliyabor Revenue Circle and submitted a report stating that majority of the population of the said village belong to Tea Tribe and demand for appointment of Gaon Pradhan from their own Tea Tribe committee. As per government notification dated 10/4/18.3, a candidate for the post of Gaon Pradhan should be a person of high status and command and have a respectable position in the society. Hence, his appointment is kept on hold. Another. So, yes,
You file your affidavit.
Your lordship,
Let him file
I
it.
think I have clarified, your lordship, at paragraph number 11 of my petition, your lordship. I know the fact, your lordship. Because before, your lordship, I just frequently visited the office of the deputy commissioner, your lordship, why my appointment has not been pending, your lordship. At paragraph number 11 of my petition, that is you my reply, your lordship, to that complaint, your lordship. That is 17/5/2023 itself, your lordship. I have clarified my stand, your lordship, to that complaint. Still, yet to be supposed to be, your lordship, pending for hearing, your lordship. So it was a matter, your lordship, when I have clarified my stand, why my representation 17/5/23 before the circle officer, your lordship.
Second, it is the letter from the Hampadok, like President of Assam.
This I can understand.
Assam is.
Translate it.
I just produced that very.
Why not you file an
File
affidavit
affidavit,
enclosing
yes,
this,
yes.
then
Short date, your lordship, yes, sure.
I'll issue notice. But Ms. J. Bora,
Ji Bora, lordship.
then the council for the petition. Notice is issued, or not issued.
Notice issued, lordship. Notice issued, lordship.
Issue notice. Mr. C.K.S. Barwan and the government. You are paying for?
This one number 2, 3,
Appears for the respondents.
2, 3, 5, and 6, Lordship.
2, 3, 5 and 6.
Me, 1 and 4.
Who appears for respondent one?
One and.
Mr. S. Datta. Yeah.
4 also I can appear.
Huh?
4 also I can appear.
Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And Mr. S. Datta, government, standing council,
Revenue.
revenue department, appears for respondent one. Mr. C.K. Baral, government advocate submits that he has received instructions and prays for 2 weeks' time.
3 weeks time because person.
From where?
DC has to come from. Yes, Nagaland also.
Nagaland is here.
Lordship.
Prays for 2 weeks' time to file complaint. You take it back,
Yes.
please.
Keep it.
After 2 weeks.
A.
Autopsy notice on respondents are complete. After that, you say, so and so.
Instruction is airtight, my lord. So next week maybe, please.
My lord, next week. What instruction?
What happened in this case, Lordship, petitioner is in community health officer, Lordship, and he was arrested in a case. Subsequently, he released and he approached to the authority to have, for allowing him to join. But they did not allow. There is no order of suspension, nothing, Lordship. But he is not allowing, Lordship, and he is not giving the salary, Lord.
Mr. A.M.S. Majumdar,
Lord.
can you counsel the petitioner? On request made.
A Bora.
M.S. A. Bora, standing counsel, NHM. How much time you require?
I'll short date, Lordship.
Friday.
He is hanging, Lordship, petitioner. He is not getting salary, Lord.
1 week time is allowed to enable her to receive instructions. List on 27th
Offline.
March.
Then.
May it please your Lordship. My Lord, this writ petition is filed by the petitioner's Lordship, who are the locality and beneficiaries of 127 number Basdor Part 1 Anganwadi Center. Fact of the case is that, Lordship, that 127 number Basdor Part 1 Anganwadi Center was amalgamated with 128, which is another Anganwadi Center, Lordship, which is 3 kilometers far away from this present location, Lordship. So our children, Lordship, they are Lordship beneficiaries of this year, Anganwadi Center, Lordship. So due to amalgamation, but staff, everything will be same, Lordship. So in new location, Lordship, we can't send our child, Lordship, because they are.
No, what is your case?
Sorry, Lordship.
Yeah, proceed.
Yes, Lordship. Page 19 is the Lordship impugned order, Lordship. Page 19. Page 19, Lordship, order dated 10 January 2024, Lordship.
1 minute.
And in the list, Lordship,
1 minute. What does the order say?
order say, Lordship, all existing beneficiaries of the amalgamated center, including the children, adolescent, so-and-so, lactating mothers, shall stand transferred to the center with which it has been amalgamated with.
1 minute. Yes.
So, and our Lordship, that page 22, Lordship, page 22, that amalgamation Lordship effect, serial number 38, Lordship 127 Basdor 1, that Anganwadi Center is amalgamated with 128 Basdor 1 Anganwadi Center. So, page 22, Lordship, that amalgamation was done, Lordship.
It
So-
has been amalgamated with which one?
Amalgamated with 128 Basdor, next column, Lordship, row Lordship,
Ah.
38, that 128 Basdor 1 Anganwadi Center.
Ah.
This our is 127, it is amalgamated with that center. So my respectful submission is that, Lordship, the workers as well as infrastructure, so everything lordship, everything is utilized in the new central lordship. So what purpose will serve lordship by doubling the lordship staffs as well as everything lordship? Because
That is a policy of the government.
yes, policy, but lordship, main object of the lordship that Anganwadi center is to give the nutritious food to the adolescent girls, children's, lordship, pregnant women. So what purpose will serve by shifting one lordship Anganwadi center along with all staffs? Because staffs are already there, lordship. If staffs, at least lordship, till the continuation of these staff, present worker and helper lordship, they may continue in the present location lordship. Otherwise, the main objects of the that Anganwadi center, that will be lordship, not serve lordship. Because we can't send our children lordship 3 kilometers far away for such
Yes.
few foods lordship.
Lordship, it is only amalgamated lordship and to a very nearby place, and that too for some policy decision lordship.
You've got instruction.
Lordship, I have to take instruction. Lordship can fix the matter in short. Lordship.
Heard, Mr.
NH Bhavgan.
NH Barbuel and the counsel for the petition. MS
A. Talukdar.
A. Talukdar and the government advocate
Right.
shall receive instructions. When do you want?
I'll file affidavit lordship in 2 weeks.
You want to file affidavit? 1 minute. You are applying for
All the respondents lordship.
social welfare also?
Lordship.
Then I'll issue notice.
Lordship.
Heard Mr. NS Barbuel and the counsel for the petition. Issue notice. MS
A. Talukdar.
A. Talukdar and the government advocates. Enters appearance and accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. Accordingly, notice on respondents are complete. However, extra copies. MS A. Talukdar and the government advocate. Prays for 2 weeks time to file contra affidavit. Prays allowed.
Status quo may kindly be granted.
After 2
Lordship,
weeks. No,
only
status.
2 weeks lordship. Need to apply lordship.
Date may kindly be granted.
Give a date after 2 weeks.
All right.
12. On 5th.
My pleasure, lordship. We did a mention for withdrawal.
Call my doctor. Want to see the doctor.
My pleasure. Lordship, we did a mention for withdrawal of this matter. There was a arrow on the respondent number 1, the name of the respondent number 1.
Oh.
Would like to
Withdraw.
refer, yeah. With liberty to file afresh.
Mr.
M.R. Chaudhary.
M.R. Chowdhury and the counsel for the petitioner. Prays for withdrawal of this petition. With liberty, Allah. Anybody applying for respondents?
Yes. Why Kunyak on behalf of MD Bora, respond number 2 and 3.
Who applies for 1? Transport, inland water, no one.
Transport shield lordship.
Yes, MS,
MD Bora.
MD Bora.
Yes. YA Kunyak on behalf of MD Bora.
Okay, I'll record MD Bora's.
Okay, okay.
MS MD Bora, Leonard Standing Council.
Lordship, I am
Inland Water Transport Department appears for respondents 1, 2, and 3.
I am for 5 on behalf of
You are for MS A Talukdar and the government advocate appears for respondent number 4 and the MS
S Barik on behalf of SK Methi, respondent number 5.
and Mr. SK Mehdi, Leonard Standing Council Accountant General appears for respondent number. The petition is dismissed by my dream with liberty aspect for them.
Oblige.
13.
Right, please, Lordship. Lordship, here, in this case, my lord, an advertisement was issued for appointment of notary. My lord, thereafter, we have submitted application but the district judge, who is the competent authority, he has not, without deciding our application in violation of Rule 6, he has recommended some of his favorable persons.
Already recommended.
Already recommended, thereafter we have approached this, due to non-recommendation of our names, we have approached this honorable court. Honorable court passed an order, the selection process shall be subject to outcome of final order. That is page 66. Page 59.
Page 60.
6 is the relevant portion, my lord, 66. Art on the prayer of interim relief. May I read, my lord? Having regard to the facts and circumstances of the case, it is hereby provided that selection of additional notary public pursuant to the process undertaken by the authorities shall be subject to final order that may be passed in this case. That is, selection is subject to outcome of the final order. Thereafter, they have appointed the 5 respondent number 3 to 7. My lord, that is page 68. After this honorable court's order, they have appointed.
Yes.
So this is hereby silent.
We are challenging this order.
This order here, my lord. Earlier we have, before the appointment we have approached. Now they have appointed. Despite the court's order, my lord. Page 60
It is for additional notary.
for additional.
Which district?
South Salmara Mankasa. The petitioners are not been given the opportunity to participate, my lord, in the process. He picked up some favorable persons and recommended them.
Yeah, we can issue notice.
Can I, may I pray, my lord, that order shall not be given effect, my lord.
One thing.
When is this order passed?
22.
February. Already passed.
My lord, we have, immediately we have filed on 6th March. Only that shall not be given effect, and the main case along with it may be heard along with the main case. My lord. This is
It says selection shall be subject to the final order. So selection means appointment also.
Already there is an order, my lord.
There is an order, there's not required.
It will be overlapping.
But
Then, my lord, that other case is fixed on 3rd of April, my lord.
1 minute. You're not counsel for the petitioner. Stop. The petitioners. Had submitted their candidature for appointment as additional notary public for the district of South Salmara,
Mankasa.
Mangacha. They are being aggrieved by the notification dated 22nd February 2024. By which the respondents
Respondent number, my lord, 3 to 7.
3 to 7 were appointed as notary for South Salmara Mangaja district. Issue notice. Who appears? Judicial Department. Who appears?
Respond number 1.
Mr. C.K.S. Baron and the government appears for the respond number 1.
I am appearing for 2 months.
And Mr. H.K. Das, Leonard, Standing Counsel, Guwahati High Court,
Respondent.
appears for respond number 2.
And I am appearing for respondent number 3, lordship, who is the aviator.
ABA.
And Mr.
M. Ahmed.
M. Ahmed, Leonard Counsel, appears for the respond number 3 by way of filing caveat. The respondents are allowed to file counter affidavits. No. petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the respondents 4 to 7
My lord.
by registered post AD within 1 week. Respondents are allowed to file for draft memo reached after 4 weeks.
My lord,
Extra copies, my lord.
my lord, other case, WBC 7533, that is fixed on 3rd of April.
You want it to come along with that?
Along with my lord.
It will come after 4 weeks now.
My lord,
You want that one to come up earlier or you want to let that one come up after this? You want to come up along with this?
Yes, my lord.
List this matter along with WBC number
7533, 2023.
after 4 weeks.
What's the last? Extra copies were given to.
Yeah, furnish extra. copy.
And that approval is still awaiting. only. For that, once of approval, I mean, the petitioner is not able to join his police
What is the
post.
SLC recommendation?
Page 18, my lord, and his name is page 19, my lord.
Page,
19, my lord.
what's your name?
Himanta Das, my lord, serial number 4, my lord, top.
Himanda Das.
My lord. Subsequent, my lord, that part is over.
Recommended for appointment and get reports. Yes, then
Therefore, my lord, his place of posting was fixed by the Deputy Secretary to Gopta PWD department, my lord.
where's that?
Page 20, my lord. And petitioner's name is at page 20 page at serial number 7, my lord, last one.
Gate for Chokida.
Yes, my lord.
Then what?
Now, my lord, kindly come to page 21, my lord. 21, this paragraph, my lord, last paragraph, my lord. Here, you are requested to submit the proposal to the government along with finance SIY departments format 1 and 2 duly fulfilled. Finance department authorization to consent treasury officer for honor submission of finance department for taking necessary action. But in terms of this communication, my lord, the chief engineer, to the knowledge of the petitioner, that chief engineer has already submitted the proposal, my lord, for finance approval, my lord.
The process is going on, isn't it?
Yes, got it. So
My
right
lord,
now,
What is the point of,
almost,
what
my
is the
lord,
point of filing this writ
my
petition?
lord, almost 1 year, my lord.
No, so
My lord,
far as
date
my
of-
inspector,
When was the recommendation?
You can write 2-3, my lord.
2/3/2023.
2023, my lord. Now it is my lord,
And when was
24,
this order issued?
September, my lord.
September 2023. Yes, yeah.
Yes, so far as my instruction is concerned, today morning also I talked to the authority on this same issue, Lord. And they have informed me that today they are releasing most of the files, Lord. Today itself, Lord.
Then let us.
So let this matter come after some time, Lord. In the meantime, he will get their
Yes,
I believe.
Learned Council for petitioner. On request made by Mr. P. Nayak, Learned Standing Council, Finance.
Yeah. Finance.
List the matter after 1 week, 2 weeks.
Let the matter come after 3 weeks, Lord. So in the meantime, I will get
List the
some.
matter after 3 weeks. To
He
enable
will
him
get the relief.
to enable him to receive instruction.
Nice. Apply. 15.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I am before you with a very limited period, Lordship. Lordship, I was appointed as a temporary Sokidar and I have been working for last more than 10 years, Lordship. Lordship, kindly. Is 18 men, Lordship, kindly.
Where's your appointment order?
Lordship, there is no such formal order. I was engaged as a temporary Sokidar of the inspection bungalow. Lordship.
By which order?
Lordship, page 18, Lordship.
Oh, Honorary.
Honorary Lordship.
Then-
Okay. Then Lordship may kindly find page 19, Lordship.
Yeah.
While Lordship, I was working as a honorary Sokidar in that inspection Bangalore Lordship.
Mhm.
This appointment, this advertisement was published by the department Lordship, page 19.
Oh.
And Lordship, accordingly, I participated in the recruitment process, Lordship.
Oh.
Page 20, Lordship, 22. This is
21.
my Lordship application.
Oh.
I furnished before the recruitment board
Oh.
to participate in the said recruitment. Accordingly, Lordship, after the recruitment process, Lordship, the result was published, Lordship, kindly find at page 23,
Yes.
Annexure 6, Lordship.
Oh. Then,
Here, Lordship, I failed to make it through, Lordship. That is why this in this selection list, my name was not figured. My name did not figure in the selection list.
Oh.
And Lordship, my limited period before your Lordship, kindly, please, Lordship, page 11, may kindly find, Lordship. My petition, Lordship.
page,
Page 11.
yes.
My respectful submission, Lordship, during the time of recruitment, Lordship, as I have already given more than 10 years in the department, Lordship. My valuable time of my life I have given in the department more than 12 years, Lordship. So during the time of recruitment, Lordship, my service given to the department should have been considered by the respondent authority, but that has not been done, Lordship.
That is too late.
So that is why, Lordship, may kindly find my prayer, Lordship. Very simple prayer, Lordship.
It's not a very simple prayer.
So as I could not come in time, Lordship, my prayer before your Lordship, if I participate in the subsequent recruitment, my weightage of my service weightage mark may be granted to me, Lordship.
Now you are no more serving, isn't it?
I am still serving, Lordship. I was considering my long service in the department, I was not terminated by the department, Lordship.
The post which your father was holding
Hmm.
was vacant. It was advertised, if I'm not wrong.
Not my father, Lordship. Not my father. He was not my father.
Participated in the advertisement issued by the authority, Lordship. He participated, he failed to, get any.
He did not qualify.
Now he is paying for weightage in the subsequent advertisement to be published now. That is his point.
That is my prayer, Lordship. This, I am relying on the constitution bench judgment of this apex court, Lordship. Paragraph 55, Lordship.
Yes. How is it applicable to you?
Okay, in my humble submission, Lordship, this is not an appropriate petition, Lordship.
That's what,
Lordship, if in future some advertisement comes, Lordship, and that.
That time you can approach this.
Yes.
Not by way of this.
I am leaving it to my lordship.
You withdraw it and file afresh. Yes, and when the.
Whenever there is an advertisement, if
as
that
and when
provision is not there. we
course
can
of
approach
action
it.
are. Okay.
All right.
Mr. A. Islam has also put a petition for withdrawal of the petition with liberty to file afresh if course of action arises in future. Stop. Mr. P. Nayak, standing counsel,
I'm appearing for PWD, Lord.
standing counsel PWD appears for the respondent number 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, 4.
Lordship, I'm appearing for 1, 2, 4, 5. Yes, sir. 1, 2, 4, 5.
1, 2, 4. If petition is dismissed on withdrawal, liberty has been. When the time comes. it-
Obliged, lordship.
16.
May I please lordship, my lord, I did mention for pass over time being, my lord, considering is on next, my lord, for time being, my lord,
I don't know how long this court is going to sit today.
my lord, my lord. My lord, I think so.
17.
May I please, your lordship.
Hmm.
Well, the short point involved in this case is that the petitioner is a senior engineer. What has happened, the brief facts, he had flagged up certain issues before his superior authorities. That was not looked into. So he wrote letters to the management, the top brass, and then certain complaints were received against him by a person belonging to the scheduled caste. So an inquiry was conducted and an report was given. Your lordship will come to, I'm just briefly stating the facts. Lordship will come to page 61.
Yeah.
Page 60 is the operative. This is the finding, observations at page 61.
Hmm.
Based on the facts and findings of the committee, observes that discrimination in some form has been practiced against complainant, Sri Sunil Bania. He had filed a complaint. However, the committee could not determine any conclusive ground or any substantive evidence to label it as a caste-based discrimination. Well, it's a finding, categorical finding that there is no evidence. Now, this has affected me, and since I flagged concerns of my superior, now very funny thing has happened. They are not looking into my grievance, and this part they say that it is not proof. Very good. Your lordship will come to page 71. Another show cause is now given to me that you reply within 1 day by my CEO, respondent number 4. Because respondent number 4, I have made her a party because I had flagged certain concern about her working. Now, two things they did. They withdrew the service, the works which I was being allotted, they gave it to a junior person and they issued this show cause, and then I asked for a time, they gave me show cause of 1 day. Well, we expect that the principles of natural justice envisages a reasonable opportunity. Supreme Court has says reasonable opportunity doesn't mean 1 day. The management is not a despotic character. So I could not answer, and she now again gives at page 72 a warning. And basically warning is a censure. But I am affected already by the statement that some form of discrimination there, but no evidence. So at this stage, what I pray that notice may go, your lordship will like to examine this. And I pray that this part may not be given effect to till they come up with their thing, a reply.
Which part?
This, but not this page 61, the observation, because that is affecting my career. I have a long way to go. I'm a 30.
What is the adverse their lordship? He was show cause, he may reply your lordship.
No, this is not a question of replying because the observation has clearly said there is no conclusive evidence against me on caste discrimination.
That is a finding of the committee, lordship.
Yes, but the finding of the committee must be based on the, when they say that there is some form, but there is no evidence.
So nothing is there against you.
Nothing is there, lordship, nothing adverse.
But the censure part again, that part may be looked into because the censure and warning I 7 times at page 72. Because now after this, Now again, they are giving me a warning and advice, and in the down below the advice part, your lordship will find.
We'll consider this matter.
Yes, yes.
Lordship, there is no censure, Lordship.
Mr. DK does, then it also issue notice. Here is
Lordship, I will take notice upon respondent number 1, your Lordship.
1 minute. Mr.
DJ Ducks, your Lordship.
DJ does, Leonard. You are the CGC.
Seriously, Lord.
You have come over as CGC now.
Unfortunately.
Let us CGC. Appears for respond number 1.
One, your
How about the others?
Lordship, notice should go, your
You
Lordship.
you cannot take notice.
Lordship will say institute, Lordship.
Okay. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the responders 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 by registered post daily within 1 week.
1 week.
It's up to 4 weeks.
Much
5,
obliged.
6.
18. May I please with your words? Lordship, I have been rendering my services as initially as casual worker, Lordship, and I was engaged in the year of 1992, Lordship. And Lordship, but in the meantime, Lordship, my service has been governed, Lordship, as per order dated 30/12/2019, Annexure B, page number 17, Lordship. Kindly be bearing, Lordship. But in the meantime, Lordship, I was posted as insert secretary of Prabha Gaon Panchayat, Lordship. So, Lordship, Annexure B, page number 17, Lordship. My service has been governed, Lordship. In pursuance of government order number so-and-so dated so-and-so, following casual workers, PRI, Finance Department notification number so-and-so under Panchayat Rural Development Department who were engaged prior FRBM period 1st of September are allowed to draw fixed wages remuneration of rupees so-and-so, who should be undergo revision whenever pay scale change based on enhancement of dearness allowances, recommendation of pay commission along with medical allowances of rupees so-and-so per month for Lakhimpur district, Lordship. And Lordship, my name has been enlisted in serial number 36, Lordship. Saifuddin, and that is the petitioner, Lordship. And Lordship, tax collector, Lordship. Engaged on 29/1992, Lordship. Prabha Gaon Panchayat. But in the meantime, Lordship, I was posted to insert secretary, Lordship, of Prabha Gaon Panchayat, Lordship. Annexure B, Lordship. Page number. Annexure A, Lordship. Annexure A, page number 15, Lordship. Posted as inserts Prabha Gaon Panchayat secretary, Lordship. But in the meantime, Lordship, what happened, Lordship? The block development officer, Lordship, itself filed an FIR against me, Lordship. Accordingly, case has been registered B Puria PS case number 1119/2023, Lordship, under proper section of law, Lordship. Accordingly, Lordship, I was enlarged on bail, Lordship, by BA number 2924/2024, Lordship, Annexure D, page number 26, Lordship. But I was enlarged on bail. And thereafter, Lordship, I approached before the authority allow me to resume my services, Lordship. But very unfortunately, Lordship, authority has not allowed me to resume my services, Lordship. Even, Lordship, I have been coming from lower level to superior authority, Lordship. I have approached before the authority, Lordship.
So a grief by not being allowed to assume it.
Yes, Lordship, that is why, Lord.
Hendrik,
Malad, he has filed a representation to the BDO, concerned BDO, which is at, concerned CEO, which is at page 30. And the CEO has forwarded it to the commissioner. Maybe disposed of, Malad, with a direction to the commissioner to dispose of his representation within a stipulated period
Yes.
of time, which is at page 33, my lord.
33.
33, my lord.
Only several round letter has been issued from one authority to another authority, Lordship.
Let the commissioner take the call.
What is this Guwahati High Court?
He was actually, my lord, arrested. He was under judicial custody. Thereafter, he got bail from this honorable
Yeah.
court. So he basically forwarded his bail order to the CEO. The CEO forwarded to the commissioner, stating that now he has been enlarged on bail, and accordingly, the commissioner may take a decision as to what to do with him exactly.
Your lordship, pendency of the criminal petition is may not be barred to resume the services.
Or why not you take instructions and come back?
Do them with him.
That will be better. Instead of Allah. After that, we can dispose of it.
No.
But Mr.
M. Soikeva.
Leonard Counsel. Mr.
P handing.
T.
P for
E. Hendik. Leonard Counsel appearing on behalf of Mr.
K form.
K. Conwar, Leonard
Senior standing counsel.
Senior Standing Counsel, PNRD. Shall receive instructions as to why the petitioner is not allowed to resume his duties as
As in charge secretary of
As-
Pabha Gaon Panchayat.
as in charge secretary of
Pabha, PAV. Pabha Gaon Panchayat under Lokhimpur Jilla Pori.
as in charge secretary of
Annex A lordship, page number 15.
Dikrong GB.
Lordship, oh, lordship, I'm extremely sorry, lordship, this is, and this is not his engagement letter, lordship, but lordship, it is
Now, how do you know?
misplaced, lordship.
Let him amend his writ petition, my lord, otherwise. Let him annex the correct documents.
So, lordship, Annex B lordship clearly mentioned that in
But then this
PL number
NXA,
36.
NXA, how can you cure it?
So, lordship, I may be allowed to withdraw this Annex A lot from the record. This is me.
That you'll have to file an IA. Better you withdraw this writ petition and file a fresh. That will be faster for you.
It will be complete.
Okay.
Yes.
M. Sakia and then counsel for petition of press for withdrawal of this writ petition with liberty to file a fresh. Mr. P. Handik, Learned Counsel, appears on behalf of Mr. K. Conwar, Learned Senior Standing Counsel, PNRD Department, and MS A. Talukdar, Learned Governor Advocate for the response number 4. And P. Nayak, Learned Standing Counsel. Finance for response number 3. The petition is dismissed on withdrawal with liberty as well.
Yes. Mobilization.
19.
Affiliation. So my senior is coming, my lord, regarding promotion. He's coming. Yes. Next week, my lord. No, I do hope. He's coming.
May I please, your lordship? This matter, your lordship, related to your lordship promotion from the rank of instructor to your lordship supervisor, your lordship. Now, in fact, your lordship, this issue has been settled already by this honorable court, your lordship. Now, your lordship, whether the instructors, your lordship, who are teaching mathematics will be included in the rank of senior instructor or not, that is the issue, your lordship. Initially, they said that, the authority said that they will not be included. And in fact, if your lordship takes up my writ petition at page 42.
Yes.
Your lordship. This is the judgment, starts from page 45. And your lordship will kindly come to page 48, para 18. Para 18.
Yes.
The core issue which arises for consideration in this case, as has already been noticed at the very beginning of the judgment and which stood fortified in the course of hearing, is whether the post of instructor mathematics, in which post the petitioners are serving, or similar other post, your lordship. The present petitioners belong to your lordship English and social studies, your lordship, are included in the cadre of the senior instructor as mentioned in Rule 31C4 of 1993 rules, your lordship. This was the issue, your lordship.
Now, your lordship, the honorable court, your lordship, finally, at page 53, para 27, after lengthy discussions about the precedents and the relevant rule, your lordship, page 20, para 27, that being the position and having regard to the discussions made above, it is hereby declared that the post of instructor mathematics and such other similar posts would be included in the cadre of senior instructor as appearing in Rule 3(1)(c)(4) of the 1992 rules and following Rule 24 of the said rules. The respondent shall now prepare a gradation string containing the names of all members of the Assam Craftsman Training Service who are in the cadre of senior instructor. Now, yeah, thereafter, your lordship, they have, your lordship, not considered these people, your lordship. Your lordship will kindly come to page 54. Finally, your lordship, so far as only those belonging to mathematics are concerned, these people are junior to us, your lordship. Even then, your lordship, they have been promoted, your lordship. Page 54, your lordship. Annexure 6. Now, we are not aggrieved by their promotion. Let them get promotion, your lordship. But we should also be considered in terms of that judgment, your lordship. Now, they say that since we are not
You belong to which stream?
English and social science, your lordship.
Social science.
Social science, your lordship. Now, therefore, your lordship, let them come up with some affidavit, your lordship. Why they have not considered us, your lordship, in spite of that judgment of the honorable court, your lordship.
Madam, let the notice go, madam. I'm appealing for response number 2 and 3, madam.
Third, Mr. S. Bartoko. Counsel for the petitioner. Issue notice. You are appealing for
Response number 2 and 3, madam.
employment and craftsman. How about respondent number 1?
Government will appear, madam.
Who appears?
To me, my man is joint director. 2 and 3. Oh, 1 to government.
Talukdar, you are appealing. MSA Talukdar, Learning Government Advocate, appears for respondent number 1, and Mr.
SP, that's madam.
SP Das, Learned Standing Counsel.
Yes, madam.
Employment and craftsman training appears for the respondents 2 and 3. Notice and
Lordship, we have an interim prayer, your lordship. There are 4 posts presently vacant, your lordship. They should not, your lordship, without considering us, they should not, your lordship, fill this up.
That is your lordship.
Because there is apparent from the judgment, your lordship, that we should be considered, your lordship.
Respondents are not to fill their contract with the list of performance.
Till then, your lordship, this,
No interim, my lord.
lordship, apparently, your lordship, order,
They are different cadres, madam.
judgment says, so.
What category? What category?
But they are from social studies and English. And those who my parents is showing, madam, it is a judgment comprising of the cadre, madam, mathematics, madam. Mathematics is different, madam.
Lordship will kindly see para 27, your lordship.
Have you read the judgment?
Yes, madam, I read, madam. I appear in the case.
Mathematics and such other similar posts.
Yes, but similar. This is not similar, madam.
Lordship, no.
How do you say that?
But in that case, I appear in, madam. And if you lordship see that case, madam.
Yes.
Yes, madam. Lordship, madam, pass it.
What?
I'll bring instruction, madam. If your lordship allow me.
You serve a copy.
Will serve, your lordship.
Streams are different, madam. Streams are different, madam. That's the reason, madam.
List after 2 weeks.
My lordship, I fixed a date, madam. I'll bring instruction, madam.
Okay, list the matter on when? When do you want?
After 2 weeks, madam.
After 2 weeks. Give a date after 2 weeks.
3rd April.
3rd April.
Lords. Otherwise, your lordship, if they promote someone, your lordship, ultimately we will have.
Nothing will happen
Nothing will
now.
happen, my lord.
MCC is going to come.
Lords.
Reflected in the causeless budget.
Registry is also directed to reflect the name of the learned government advocate in the cost list.
Or your lordship may kindly, your lordship may observe that your lordship, next date, your lordship interim will be considered, your lord.
We'll see.
Lords. Oblige, your lords. 20.
Yes.
As per rules of 1992, the petitioners were inducted into a course. Through an advertisement, Lordship will find that at page 22, the advertisement. for once. This is a 22 in batches. Rules Lordship would find at page 56. Six, 57, Lord. 57, let's see. 57. For, may I read, Lord? For admission to its course, the director will invite applications for intending candidates preferably by middle of the June each year. Before selection is made for admission to the course, the director will obtain a statement from each district in regard to the following: the lots that are vacant or likely to fall vacant within the next 3 years, the date for which the vacancy arises, the lots of non-resident so and so. Now at page 23 also, at the same page, rule 23, candidates for admission shall be selected by the director in either the following manner as found convenient. An entrance examination for intending candidates who would have to apply in time and are qualified otherwise as per rule 21-22 will be held from time to time depending on the availability of vacancies each district and subdivision headquarter. So and so, and the below one is the criteria. We were inducted into the course through a regular process of direct recruitment by an advertisement. We had completed the course. Now, Lordship, it occurred in 2021. The advertisement is 21. In batches, we were sent because there is only one institute in Assam. Therefore, 400 were selected. Irrespective of the merit, they were being sent in batches. Lordship will find it at page 23. Now, 23, Lordship would kindly see. Second paragraph. Deputy commissioners are hereby requested kindly inform the selected trainees as per the given batches annexed to the report. Therefore, in batches they were sent. Now they have cleared it. Lordship, 400 were selected on the basis of the vacancies. Lordship would find that at page 59. The vacancies were 452. Page 59, Lordship. The total vacancy, Lordship would see statements showing the vacant post of LM, Lot Mondal, approval received from filling up during 22-23. Now, Lordship would see at the below vacancy column is second column below 452 vacancies. Now, at that time, 400 vacancies were there, therefore, 400 were sent. Now, while most of us were selected, around more than 80%, I had already inducted into regular service. Now, when the last batch was going on, now the rule was amended. Now the new rules come from 1st April 2023. Now, as per the new rules, Lordship would see, before that, Lordship, I'll show the impugn order. Impugn order at page 75. Now, Lordship, government is contemplating sending some government officials to training again. May I read, Lordship? The third and fourth paragraph is important. The rule is mentioned, they should possess pre-qualification for land records as per Rule 8 of the Assam so-and-so rules, mainly graduates. This is the qualification. The list of such employees should be forwarded to the undersigned by 11 March 2024 positively. In certain districts, even if less than 10 fulfill the prerequisite qualification, the list should be provided indicating the reasons. Selected grade 3 candidates would be required to undergo stipulated training at Assam Survey and Settlement Training Center, Dokhin Gaon. That is the center. Now, it is done for induction in a scheme. We are already there, who are trained, but they are without filling the vacant post, they are again sending them from training. Now, Lordship would see the rules which contemplate the training. New rules at page 60, Lordship. Rule 5. Rule 5 is page 62. Earlier, the post was named as Lot Mondal. Now it is a land record assistant. One, land record assistant by direct recruitment on the basis of competitive examination conducted by selection board as per rule 6 and followed by a 6 months training and passing of the prescribed course under Assam Survey Settlement Training Center. Now, Lordship, the rule contemplates that for undergoing the training course, one has to be directly recruited to the post of land record assistant, selected. Thereafter, after selection of as land record assistants, they can only undergo this training. So the impugned order is an order contrary to the stipulation of the rules. Lordship would kindly see. Lordship would kindly see.
Yes.
Now, Lordship, we are already qualified. If they want for somebody for Mission Bosundhara, this is a professional course, therefore they can issue a direct recruitment and or recruit us. Normally, what has happened, even after that this course, there is a direct recruitment. After direct recruitment, we are selected for the vacant post. Normally, all of us get it because ultimately, who has done this course goes into the regular recruitment. Therefore, in the batches already more than 80% has already been inducted into regular vacancies. Now they are contemplating to send somebody again. Now, if you do that course, it has to be as per the statute. If government exercises a power in a certain manner, it has to be statutorily.
So according to you, first there should be direct recruitment.
A direct recruitment.
And only after that, this process.
And only after this process. And moreover, Lordship, we should already be inducted in regular service pursuant to the earlier rule because there were vacancies where we were inducted into the course.
Yes, Sandy.
Lordship, can I talk to the page 75? What is the subject? Lordship, goes to the subject. What is the stated in the that subject, Lordship? The list of eligible grade 3 employees, the employees who are working under the district establishment, they are going to be given the training, my lord, or for the launch of the mission Bosundhara 3, Lordship. This is not for the appointment, Lordship. And last, Lordship, the district commissioner for deputation of the land record assistant. This is not an appointment, Lordship.
I'll clarify, Lord. Now, deputation is not contemplated under the rules. The rules only contemplate that who can go to the training. Any grade 3 employees cannot go to the training. That is my case, Lordship.
So, but then this says list of eligible grade 3 employees.
Lordship. And
Yes,
Lordship, my
already employees.
Lordship, may kindly see the second, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First paragraph, my Lordship, 4th line. The requested select the 10 or 12 grade 3 employees. They are already working. Those who are about drilling assistant, junior assistant, working in the land revenue branch, Lordship, they are going to be given the training of this Malad list.
Lordship, now that is my case.
This is
a very specific training. What is the course, Lordship? I'll show a certificate. Now, this is a very specific training in a specific manner has to be done. Lordship will kindly see the rules. Who can go? Lordship will kindly come to page 62 for once.
Yes.
Land record assistant by direct recruitment on the basis of competitive examination conducted by a selection board as per rule 6 and followed by a 6 months training. Now, anybody who has been selected to the post of land record assistant only can go for this training. This training is very specific, Lordship. I'll show a certificate at page 42. What are the courses? Lordship would kindly see. Page 42. Lordship would see what are the courses. Courses I have passed last 4 lines in chain survey, plan table survey, cadastral survey, survey theory, land record rule, rule area extraction, mathematics, map tracing, map linking, paragraphs, CLR training, GIS, GPS, DGPS, ETS. These are very specific, and if they want to somebody for Mission Basundhara, we are already trained. They can induct us. And we were provided that course based on the vacancies. We are not claiming vacancies as of now. We are saying that you cannot include more trainees. And if you want to include, you can only include as per the rules. Rules contemplate a specific way for the training. You cannot choose any grade 3 employees for the training. For a training, there has to be, firstly, they have to be selected as a land record assistant, followed by this training. We have also done that training. RBI rules also contemplated that through a regular recruitment, this training has to be done. So, Lordship, I'll kindly place a judgment. Lordship knows this is settled law. Lordship knows it, Lordship, I'll just as it is. Para 18, Lordship. So, Kumsan, Lordship, this rule has been going on from Taylor versus Taylor and Nazir Ahmed also. It is well settled, Para 18, Lordship. It is well settled that where a power is required to be exercised by a certain authority in a certain way, it should be exercised in that manner or not at all. All other modes of performance is necessarily forbidden. Now the rule contemplates that you can give a training to certain class of persons who are selected as direct recruitees for the post of land record assistant. You cannot do it for any government grade 3 employees.
Yes. Lordship,
may maintain status quo on this.
Lordship, my lord, this as per the page 75, Lordship, this is not for the appointment, Lordship. It is for, my lord, those who are, my lord, working in the, my lord, grade 3 employees of the, my lord, district administrator. They are giving the training for the purpose of, my lord, that for Mission Basundhara 3, Lordship. And it is the decision of the, my lord, the cabinet.
but Mr. B.B. Boral and the Council for the Petition issue notice. You are applying for?
For respond number 1 to 4, Lord.
Mr. J. Hendrik, Land of Standing Council Revenue Department, applied for respondents 1 to 4. District Commissioners? Mr. C.K.S. Barrow, Governor, appears on behalf of respondents. 5 to 12. 5 to 12. Notice on respondents. Respondents are respected for the this not to forward.
Lordship is giving a status quo on this.
No,
Lordship, if they are sent again, Lordship.
no, they will not be sent now. Let it come. I'll make it returnable on a fixed date.
Only they may confirm that they will not be sent, Lordship. That is only.
My lord, I cannot confirm it. My lord, without taking any instructions.
Then, Lordship.
When do you want?
As your Lordship.
Within 2 weeks.
Lordship.
Give a date after 2 weeks.
First week of April.
Lordship, at least some assurance, Lordship may give. They may give.
Let us see what instruction he gives. Finish extra copy.
21.
Yes.
May I please, Lordship? My lord, I appeared in a case, my lord, was conducted by Staff Selection Commission, my lord. There, my lord, I have qualified at page 47, my lord. Page 47, my lord. The Lordship, and you see page 47, my lord, my qualifying mark final score 501132. And my lord,
Where is this? Where is that 501?
my lord, final score final score normalized.
47.
Yes, my lord.
What is the final score?
A second. Third, my lord, score in computer-based examination, my lord. The lordship got it?
Yes.
My final score is 501132.
Oh.
And my lord, Staff Selection Commission, they have declared their result. My lord, and cutoff mark is, my lord, at page 55, my lord.
Yes.
5087105, my lord.
Where is that?
There is fourth column, my lord. Fourth column marks.
Page 55.
Page 55, my lord.
Oh.
Fourth column, my lord. Marks 5087105, my lord.
Oh.
Despite it, my lord, I am not qualified, my lord.
Oh.
Since I have, my lord, scored the, my lord, qualifying mark, my lord. And the cutoff mark was, my lord, set at 5087105.
How do you know that this is the cutoff mark?
My lord, result, my lord, kindly see, my lord, right hand side, cutoff details. Right hand side, it is written, my lord. Published by the Staff Selection Commission, my lord.
No, cutoff details is there, but then there are different marks, isn't it?
Yes, my lord. 58.7, my lord.
How do you know that the 50.87 is the cutoff mark?
My lord, I was qualified, my lord. I was not, my lord, selected, my lord. I have passed in all the tests, my lord, physical tests, everything, my lord. Can you see, my lord? Can you see, my lord? Page 47, last line, my lord. My lord, it is the physical test, my lord. Says reaction, last fit, my lord. Final medical status, fit. Left hand side also fit, my
That's
lord.
fine. But in this page 55,
My lord.
how do you know that 50.87 is the cutoff mark?
My lord, it is, my lord, it is their result, my lord, published by the Staff Selection Commission, my lord.
Then
I have qualified, my lord.
50.87. You have not qualified.
My lord, I have scored 50%, my lord.
50.11.
My lord.
Here is 50.87.
My lord.
So you have not qualified.
My lord, I have cleared all the tests, my lord, physical test and this, as well as my written test. Everything, my lord, I have passed, my lord. But despite this, my lord, I was not selected.
Yes.
But his mark says 50.11 and cutoff mark is 50.87.
If according to you, cutoff mark is 50.87,
My lord.
then you have not qualified.
But my lord, I have passed in all examinations.
You must have passed.
My lord.
You've passed in all, but in the cutoff mark, you don't qualify.
Marks may be lesser than other candidates.
This test, my lord, I feel, my lord, notice may go, my lord.
We'll see. Yes.
Yes, notice may go, otherwise case is not maintainable. And this
Mr.
is a recruitment process of 2018.
SSS Ramanand counsel for the petition. Issue notice. MS B.
S. Borua.
S. Bhagavanan CGC. Appraised on behalf of
All respondents.
all respondents. Notice on respondents are complete. However, extra copies you can.
My lord.
Respondents are not defined.
Observe.
4 days.
22.
Mid-period. We have participated in the process of a lot mandal vacancy pursuant to the advertisement. We have cleared the written test. Everything is done. Results is not given, Lordship. That is our grievance. Only grievance.
I'll get that.
When was that?
Your Lordship, advertisement was page 14, parts 1/3/2023, before the new rule. Thereafter, at 22/3/2023 at page 17, results of the written examination is given. My roll number is 373203. It's at second line, Lordship.
Now, Lordship, we are awaiting the results. Lordship, for the past nearly 1 year, results have not been declared. Third term as GV Boran and Council. Mr. CKS Boran, the government. Shall issue instructions. List, when?
2 weeks of.
No, 2 weeks. Fifth.
Deputy.
16.
Yes.
Yeah, please, I'm sorry, my lord, I'm on lax at court number 23, that's why I missed the item. And then this is for arrear salary of the petitioner, my lord. Petitioner was removed from the service, my lord, and after departmental proceeding, he was removed from the service. Subsequently, he was reinstated, my lord, and your lordship may kindly peruse the page 52, my lord, that is speaking order, my lord. Relevant is 53, my lord, and 54, your lordship may found. Last, my lord. The period that is from the date of removal from service up to the date of joining on duty will be regularized in terms of the Rule 114350 of IREC Volume 1 as per remarks of the P branch. Thereafter, I was asked to submit the unemployment certificate. Accordingly, I have submitted the affidavit of the subdivision and magistrate, my lord, Karbi Anglong, my lord, and also submitted my representation, my lord, which is at page, my lord. Last representation is page.
Okay, yes, David.
Notice to be accepted.
Mr. I allow you the call. Issue notice. MSR David and CGC. Interference and accept notice on behalf of
All right.
all the respondents. Accompanying notice and respondents are complete. However, extra copies. Respondents are allowed to file affidavit. List of
Pendency shall not be barred, my lord, to consider.
pendency of this petition shall not be a bar for the respondents to consider the case of the petition.
Oblige.
52 of supplementary list, motion.
May please, miss. Maharaj has kept the matter for disposal today.
Let us try. My health, I don't know which.
I am hard. Lordship is not found. May please, miss.
Yes.
Lordship. Or shall we try on Monday, my lord?
Okay, why not we keep it on Monday?
If Lordship is not, since Lordship is not feeling well.
But it is Jaudil and the concept of petition as well as Mr. D. Nath and the senior government advocate. Stop. This the matter again.
But this may come for admission also, but otherwise, Lordship, we have filed the affidavit, they have filed the reply. It's otherwise complete.
Then we'll issue notice.
Lordship will issue notice, making it returnable on the next day.
Okay.
Since we are appearing.
It is Jaudil and issue notice. Yeah, bring on behalf of.
For 2, 3, 4, and 5. No, I'm appearing for 1.
Mr. A. Adhikari.
MR Adhikari.
MR Adhikari. Leonard Council, Leonard CGC appears for respondent number 1. And Mr. D. Nath, Leonard Senior Government appears for the respondents 2 to 5. 2 to 5. So. Release the matter on, when do you want?
I need a short bit. Sure. On Monday, but not inconvenient.
Maybe Monday, there are quite a lot. 20 will try. 20. That Wednesday.
20.
Release the matter on 20 March in the admission.
That's an interim order to be continued.
It is to continue.
No, it's not.
53.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
I don't hear in this case, the present petitioner, my lord, in the advertisement 22/12/22 and 16/1/23, my lord, he applied for the combined competitive examination under APSC, my lord. In this case, I qualified for the post preliminary examination. Then, my lord, I've been issued, my lord, certificates for the main examination. I'd like to draw your lordship kind attention Annex 7, page 36 first. Page 36. Yes, sir. Page 36, Annex 7. This is the e-admission certificate for the competitive combined main examination 2020-22. Lordship will find that my name is Amarjyoti Deka, number 1. And serial number 7, my roll number, my lord. Kindly, this is the main issue here, my lord. 4000954. This is my roll number. Then, lordship, kindly bottom chart. Examination for main examination starts from 8 July 2023 to 10/7/2023. Now, lordship, come 10
Where's that?
from bottom chart,
Yes.
page 36.
Yes.
Lordship, on 3 dates fixed for examination. Main examination, lordship will find 8/7/23, the paper 1 and paper 2. Number 9, paper 3, paper 4. Now, the question is July 10. 10 July 23, 2 papers are there. Paper 5, general studies 4, that is period 9 to 12, and paper 6, general studies 5, from 1:30 to 4:30. In this case, my lord, lordship will find very right, my lord, there is signature of invigilator, my lord, in the 10 July 2023. Lordship will mark it, my lord. Yes, now lordship kindly have a look, my lord. Very next page, page 37. This is the attendance register on 10th July 23.
Yes.
Yes, lordship, my name, lordship will find serial number 85 at the top, my lord. Amarjyoti Deka. In roll number, my lord, it is correctly 4000954. And I applied in the examination, lord, at column 6, my lord, this is other backward class OBC. And my lord, serial number 8, P, that means I'm present on that examination. And question come answer booklet number 10, that is 16720. And lordship, kindly in the bottom, signature of the invigilator. After verifying this attendance list, my lord, that invigilator has found that I am present for this examination. Accordingly, note number 1, my lord, the invigilator to sign after verifying whether all particulars have been filled in the candidates properly. Here, this main question involved, the invigilator has to examine that's all the candidates have filled up their application or answer sheet is correctly or not. It is the duty of the invigilator, my lord. Now, my lord, thereafter, my lord, I appeared in both the examination held on 10/7/2023, my lord. Thereafter, I waited for, my lord, that I would be called for the interview, my lord, and then I'm not been called for interview, and some weekend, my lord, on 2/11/2023, they declared result, my lord. Then I made an RT application, my lord, before the authority. In my first RT application, they have said that no, as per the Supreme Court direction, we are not going to furnish any document. You wait for some time. Then, my lord, when all the examination or interviews was done, my lord, I made another RT application. For the first time, I came to know, my lord, that lordship kindly have a look my mark sheet, Annex 9. Page 38, my lord. Lordship, roll number 4000954, that is correct. Essay, my lord, 153 I got. General studies 92. General studies next 284. General 310. Now, my lord, general is 4. It is not, and general 5/986 and interview not appear. But in the bottom, it is intended absent and invalid roll number. Lordship just has seen the lordship Annex 8, my lord, where very much clear the invigilator has put up signature. I was very much present, and I have done my written test, my lord. But my showing that I'm absent and my roll number is invalid. Now, lordship, then I made an RT application, then showed my examination question paper answer sheet, my lord. Page 41, Annex A. Yes, lordship, it is true, my lord, that the roll number instead of 4, my lord, it is 9 only. Otherwise, all things is correct. And in question come answer booklet, it is correct. 1672. That means it is proved that I was present. Though they have said that I was absent, my lord. It is wrong information, my lord.
No, this roll number,
It's supposed to be 4000954, but instead of 4, the petition inadvertently written 9, my lord.
so
No,
that is the
here-
whole issue.
no, I will come, my lord. Invigilator, my lord, in bottom, my lord, he has put the signature, my lord. He is the authority, my lord, to check the year, since the starts the all the this starts from 1, 2, 3, 4. No number starts from the 9, my lord. And since my all the papers, all the examination.
You are the candidate.
Yes, my lord, absolutely.
You are having the admit card.
Yes, absolutely, my lord.
You are aware of your roll number. Invigilator will be looking after.
Invigilator duty is to my lord, whether he fill up this, that gap is,
My lord.
that is the duty.
The examination, my lord.
If you've made this mistake, this terrible mistake.
My lord.
You've made.
For that purpose, you know, had it
Obviously,
been,
It is an invalid roll number.
my lord, this invalid roll number.
And 400954 was absent.
Well, I was very much present. Your lordship was seen on that day. I was present.
You were present.
I am present, my
But
lord.
your
And
roll, according to your roll number.
Just
you-
because of
you are
instead of
absent.
in place of 4, I written importantly, my lord, 9, my lord.
So what do you want?
And my lord, all the for the OBC category, there are 530 for the cutoff mark. Even rest papers, my lord, I got 522. Well, only 12 marks required. Just because of that, inadvertently, instead of 4, I put the 9, my lord. Therefore, they showed me an absent, and then they didn't declare my result, my lord. So my humble submission at this case, my lord, what marks I obtained in that particular place, since I have appeared, I have done my written test, my lord. So let them produce me what marks I obtained, and my lord, then this court will verify whether I'm absolutely entitled for further any relief or not, my lord. So my humble submission, this marks may be placed before this court, my lord.
What marks?
In general studies paper 4, paper 5.
For which roll number?
That is the case, my lord.
For which roll number?
Since in the booklet, my lord, 16720.
Go by the booklet, my lord. It is the printed, my lord. Your lordship kindly see the person, who is going to be ACS officer. He do not know how to react his roll number. His roll number is not correctly put, my lord. Now he says that, my lord, it is the duty of the invigilator.
My lord, on
Invigilator, it is the duty is to, my lord, just to whether he fill up it or not, my lord. He is writing the roll number, but instead of, my lord, his own roll number, his roll number is which is not correct.
On 10th of July,
Everything is correct.
on 10th of July.
Mistake has been done by him.
Yes, I
But it's a
admit.
glaring mistake, my lord.
I admit, my lord, it is the mistake on my part, my lord. On the 10th July, my lord, 2 papers I appeared, but in the last paper at 1:30 to 4:30, this is correct one. Only this, my lord, in from 9 to 12, general studies paper number 4. Inadvertently, instead of 9, 4, I put the 9. That is my only mistake. For my humble submission.
Your only mistake is the cause of all your troubles.
Because in there,
Just one simple
no name
small
is there,
mistake.
only name.
Because of 4, you wrote 9. Obviously, 400954 is absent.
My lord, I have actually, my lord, I'm praying for lordship for under equity, my lord. I'm praying just because of this. In the all before 5 papers, I got 522. Only 2 marks, 12 marks required to get a cutoff marks for the OBC category, my lord. For this reason, my lord, I am a very brilliant student, my lord. My all the academic career is very good, my lord. Just because of this, my lord, partly instead of 4, I put a 9. I am deprived from this from APSC, my lord.
That's correct.
So, my lord, one fair chance, people.
If there was an overwriting, this court could have considered. There's no overwriting.
My lord, page 37, page 37, my lord. Annexure 8.
Yes.
Yes, this is the attendance list, my lord. On the particular days, my lord, 85, Amalgamation Deka, the petitioner, rule number 4000. Against this rule number, my lord, this question came answer was, booklet was given to me, my lord. That is 16720, my lord. My roll number is correct. My booklet answer question and answer booklet is also correct, my lord. So I cannot make a right, my lord. Only my humble prayer before this go. One fair chance may be given for just because of
Yes, who appears? APSC.
My lord. No, my lord, your lordship kindly see, my lord, he's not his, that is not your pair, my lord. How can I evaluate the paper, my lord? The rule number is not telling, my lord. because against his rule number, my lord, that is my lord, no answer is found, my lord.
My prayer, my lord, prayer number 2, my lord. Instead of considering one, prayer number 2, my lord. Page 12. Directing respondent authorities to consider his marks obtained in paper general studies 4 as valid mark. Let them, my lord, on.
Already result declared, appointment were made.
How can
He
you
was
have
not
a
even called to interview, my lord.
Yes, how did?
Definitely, my lord, he is absent.
It's
My lord, they came, then, my lord, that I made an RT application, then I
too
came to know.
too late in the day today.
My lord, my humble submit, my lord, just because of that part, my lord, I should not suffer. So, my lord, one fair chance may be provided. This is my humble
No,
prayer.
what type of a fair chance do
My
you
lord,
want?
let them, my lord, yes.
Even if this booklet of
My
17520
lord, in timely, my lord,
is produced before the court and the marks are good,
my lord,
let us say that much.
my learned senior,
Still then, that is against roll number 900954, not 400954.
my lord, my learned senior has just stated that
So whatever score you may have got
yes,
in that booklet of 17520
my lord.
is against roll number 900954.
There is no even no thing that this is start from 9, this is 4, my lord. Let them produce the
How-
any.
No, whatever it is, 400954 was absent that day.
No, my lord.
You were present, you were writing your examination,
Yes, my
but
lord.
you were writing your examination against the wrong roll number.
My lord.
You were not writing against your roll number.
But invigilator had after the after
Anyway,
everything done, my lord.
I'm not feeling well.
Yeah.
I'll issue notice and then.
Yes, my lord.
That Mr. VK Dekal and council, VK Dekal and council. You know. State, senior government advocate appears for the respondents 1 and 2. And Mr. TJ Mahanda, then
4 and 5.
standing counsel, APSC assisted by MS. P. Sharma appears for respondents 4 and 5.
3, 4, 5.
3, 4, 5. Respondents are not offended. List of performance.
My lord, I cannot trouble your lordship, my lord. Only my humble prayer, my lord. If any posts are lying vacant, in the meantime, they shall may not be fill up that post, my lord.
Result declared, appointments made, what more do you want? And then you don't have a case.
Okay, I will let him.
23 of daily list, completement of party.
Eyes for implementation of the finance.
We have filed an application for implementing the finance part.
For implementation of
Finance department, my lord, as per number 5.
commissioner and secretary.
Yes. Yes.
Any objections?
No, my lord.
Third, Mr. B.D. Das, Leonard Senior Counsel. Assisted by Mr.
S. Bora.
S. Bora, Leonard Counsel for the applicant. By this application, the applicant is praying for implementation of the commissioner and secretary within inverted commas. The commissioner and secretary, finance department, government of Assam, Dispur, Guwahati, Assam, 781006 as party respond number 5. In WBC number 1184
2024.
oblique 2024. On the ground that the finance department is a necessary party in the said petition. So, after considering the cost shown in the present application, the prayer for impeachment is allowed. I is disposed. In the main writ petition, you write in view of the order published in I number 29. You put that same address again, commissioner and secretary be implemented as party respond number 5 in the present writ petition. Anybody appearing? Mr. P. Nayak, Leonard Standing Counsel Finance Department, enters appearance on behalf of the newly implemented respond number 5.
Well, notice has not been issued. Notice has to go in this case,
One minute.
in the writ petition.
No notice is issued.
Not
Issue
notice.
to 1 to 4 issued 5, my lord, may issue notice right now. 1
1
to
to
4
4.
issue.
Notice issue,
1 to 4 issue.
1/3/2024.
To 5.
Five, that's right. Issue notice on the newly implemented response number 5, cancel the other orders. The Mr. P. Nayak, London Standing Council Finance Department, enters appearance and accepts notice on the newly implemented response number 5. Stop and press for how much time?
4 weeks of extra.
4 weeks time to file affidavit. Please up to 4 weeks. In the meantime, the petitioner is directed to file an amended cost title within a period of 1 week.
Deeply, lordship, I'm appearing for 1 to 4.
MS
MD Bora,
MD Bora.
Transport
Council,
Department.
And appears for the respondents 1 to 4.
Obliged.
24 admission.
Record was called for, my lord, regarding DPC of private respondent and petitioner. Comparative statement is to be.
Comparative statement is.
Let us take up some other day.
Lordship,
Yes.
Not,
only their problem is that the petitioner is retiring in this.
March, in the month.
oh,
Only.
this month.
Right.
Okay.
But
We'll
lordship,
try it next week.
Yes, my lord.
Heard A. Ahmed, Lana Council. Also heard MS Katoki, Lana Standing Council, Animal and Veterinary Department, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department.
Tuesday, madam.
Yes, the metro. Tuesday, is it okay?
I am for respondent number 5, private respondent.
yes.
And Mr.
M. Pathak.
M.
M. Pathak.
Pathak,
Pathak.
spelling.
I am for respondent number 5.
Learned Council appears for the respond number 5.
Yes.
List the metron. Is it 20 is okay, convenient?
Tuesday, madam.
Check up.
Tuesday, madam.
28 of November. 28. Next week, next week. On 21st, lordship. 21st March.
Okay. Yes, Ahmed.
Yes, madam.
Please come to me.
Obliged.
25. Obliged.
May it please your lordship. But in fact, matter needs final disposal. I think today lordship may not feel comfortable to go for the lengthy hearing.
I'm not very comfortable.
I have
I
just
don't-
learned from it. So
Something happened from last evening.
because of the weather,
This morning, again, it became worse.
because of the weather. Now suddenly we find the heat and then in the evening, late evening, we find it is cold.
You're correct.
That is the difficult.
Since you want to put on the AC,
Yeah,
when you put on the AC, you feel
Yeah,
cold,
you feel
you
cold.
put on the fan.
fan, you
I
feel
don't
cold.
know. I don't know.
So at 1 o'clock, I put on one more shirt and switch off the fan at 1 o'clock night. That was my plan. I realized that no, it is cold now. When I went to retire to bed, that time I found it was hot.
Yes.
I switched on the fan. But at 1 o'clock, I got up and found that it is cold. I immediately took out the shirt and put it, switch off the fan. That is the plan. In the morning, my wife gave me a blanket. That now use it, better now use it.
Better use.
Yes, that is the, so Malab, it has to be a little bit careful now. Sudden change of weather, this and that. So lordship may fix it some other day whenever lordship feels comfortable.
Give your convenient. Heard Mr. K.K. Mahandan and the Senior Council assisted by Mr.
M.H. Ansari.
M.H. Ansari, Learned Council for the petition. Also heard Mr. P. Nayak, Learned Standing Council,
In this case, I am appearing for PNRD lodge.
Standing Council, PNRD Department. List matter on.
28.
Give a date convenient.
28, my lord, 28 March, Thursday,
That day will not be,
sorry,
that day will be difficult.
not be convenient.
Yeah.
Then, first week of April,
Okay, that is any day, any day.
no, first week of April,
Only 3টা ডেট আছে আপনি সেকেন্ড উইকে লৈ লওক
second week, বিহু পিছত,
বিহুৰ আগতে লওক মানে ফাৰ্ষ্ট উইকত মাত্ৰ 3টা দিন
হয় নেকি?
1 2 3
হোলি চলি আছে হলা
9 তাৰিখ মানে লৈ ল'ব পাৰিলে
April, na? Yes, April 9th.
টিউজডে
9.
Habla.
26, 27.
My pleasure, Lordship. Yes, my lord, this also will take my lord Landy hearing, since your lordship is not feeling well. So can it be, my lord, on next Thursday, my lord, that is 28, my lord?
28.
Lordship, let these matters come after vacation.
No, man, long vacation.
They are already out of service now, terminated.
Lordship, can it be on 2nd or 4th April?
4th April, some other matters has already been taken.
On 2nd, my lord.
Lordship.
And also for the petition.
And my senior colleague is also appearing, man. In next item, 27.
As well as Mr. S. Kotaki, then the concept for the, okay, say, cancel it, cancel the order. Heard Mr. Dia Bible, then the concept for the petition in WBC 5090 of 2021. Also heard Mr. S. Kataki, then the counsel for the petition in WC 5310 of 2021. Stop. Heard Mr. P. Nayak, then the standing counsel,
GMC law.
then the standing counsel, GMC.
GMC.
Stop. This the matter. Okay,
Second April. Second April.
Mr. C.P.S. Barwal, then a council appears for respondent number 1 and 2. After that, you write, this is the matter on 2nd April.
Lordship.
Don't get confused. They have not passed the problem. If you have some problem, you can come and rectify it.
29.
Lordship, in the meantime, they have filed their affidavit. We also file our reply. On 9th, Lordship may fix. Lordship can dispose of on that day, Lordship.
9th of
April, Lordship.
your request made by S. Kanungo, then a council for the petition. Release the matter on 9th of.
30.
I have been informed that your lordship is not feeling well. Yeah. Lordship, keep the matter on the first week of April.
Okay, and request made by I.H. Cycle, then a council for petition. When do you want?
Any date in the first week, Malad?
First week, actually, I think it's quite packed.
Lordship. Second week will be Malad motion day, Malad. That is why
So
Malad.
we'll have it after Big Bihu.
The petitioner is not getting salary since last 12 years.
So immediately after Bihu, 18.
Malad. Not at 18, Malad. 123rd, Malad.
23rd
3rd.
April.
Oblige.
31.
Lordship, item number 29, Lordship. Lordship has fixed the matter on 9th, Lordship.
Yeah.
Can it be on, Lordship, 23rd, Lordship?
April.
April 23rd, after vacation.
That one we put it 23rd April.
Deep location.
31.
Anybody appearing for respondents? None appears for the petition. List after 2 weeks.
32.
Make Lordship. Matter related to regulation of service, my lord. So Lordship is not well, let me fix the date after view, my lord. Yes, ma'am.
Your good time, please.
KC Roy.
Request made by Mr. K.C. Roy, then council for petition. List down.
After view, my lord, in date.
24th.
Obliged.
33.
My pleadings in this matter is complete, my lord. It's a covered judgment according to us. Lordship may fix it on a hearing date, my lord. We can have the order passed. Consider it in fact.
John request made by Mr. R. Majumdar, then the council for the petition. Give a date.
Lordship's convenience for a week or two, my lord. It's covered, my lord. We'll just go to the orders.
We'll try 9th,
My lord, yes.
9th of April.
Yes. Obligation.
I am for all restaurants, as Borwa,
Oh,
as Borwa.
as Barwa, then CCC appears for all the respondents.
Obligation.
Like,
34.
May I plead it?
Yes.
Lordship, in this case, pleading is complete, Lordship. Lordship, matter may be fixed for final disposal, Lordship.
Final hearing
Final disposal.
Disposed at admission stage after vacation lot.
after vacation.
Lordship.
Heard Mr.
M. Decalo.
M. Dekal, then the council for the petitioner, also heard MS B. Sharma. Then it's CJC for the respondents. List, when do you want? After Bihu,
After the Lordship.
list on 25th.
Obliged.
35.
25th.
May it please your lordship, in this matter, pleadings have been exchanged and has been completed, so lordship may kindly fix the matter on any hearing date next week.
Next week. Next
Mr.
week will
Lordship.
be difficult.
Then lordship on 28th,
28th, no. This court will not be done.
then lordship on first week of April,
You good them?
lordship M.R. Sharma.
On request made by Marsham. Also the petition. List on 4th.
Much obliged.
36.
In this case, my lord, the respondents were directed to file the affidavit, my lord. As on date, they have not filed, my lord. Matter was last listed on 19 to 24, my lord.
Lordship, thing is that Lordship, perhaps the Lordship, I have contacted Mr. T.C. Sutia, additional senior. I know that he has paid for some time, Lordship, he has to reply that he requires some time, Lordship. And second thing is that Lordship, today, Lordship, the matter could not be traced by our office, Lordship.
No,
So,
no, he wants some time to file affidavit.
so
He wants some time to file affidavit.
that order can be passed, Lordship.
That's Mr. S.
Yes,
Found,
found, my lord.
then the council for the petition. On request made on behalf of Mr. C. Chutiel and additional senior governor. With how much time?
3 weeks, Lordship, because
2 weeks time is a lot to file counter affidavit. List up to 3 weeks. Interim is there?
Yes, my lord.
Interim order partially to continue.
Hey, date may be fixed, my lord, after 3 weeks, my lord.
Give a date. Don't say list, don't say list. after
24.
3 weeks. Cancel the.
24/4.
24.
List on 24.
Much obliged.
30.
Baby does.
37%.
37.
My lord, in this case, my lord, petitioner is denied the benefit of second MSCP. He is eligible from January 2022.
Affidavit has come.
Yes, they have filed.
Are you filing reply?
Reply not necessary, my lord, covered case.
Okay,
So it can be disposed of at admission stage only.
okay.
I have got some judgment also, Honorable Supreme Court and this Honorable Court also. Please extend to them. CGC,
Third MS S. Bora,
my
counsel for the petitioner. None appears for the respondents in the interest of justice. It's the matter again on when? After Bihu.
before Bihu, my lord, covered case, can you give a date? 9th.
Okay,
Mhm.
cancel the order.
Hearing
Paras, are you appearing?
Biplab Chakraborty.
Then
Give a date, my lord.
retain that order. List on
On 9th, my lord.
9th.
My lord.
40.
Lordship, so far as my instruction is concerned, Lordship, today morning they have informed that all the files pending with the finance department has been released, Lord. So I hope by the next date, Lordship petitioner will get the good news.
Relief.
Released, Lordship. All the file has been released. I mean, approval has been granted. I'm not having the written instruction. That is why I pray your Lordship not to record, but it's their telephonic instruction.
You don't let them take 1 week time. In the meantime, if they can file an affidavit.
Affidavit, no, I'll place.
Heard Mr. S. Datta, Leonard Senior Counsel, assisted by
As the
S. Datta, Leonard Counsel for the petition. On request made by Mr. P. Nayak, Leonard Standing Counsel, Finance Department. When do you want?
Next week, Lordship.
List down next week, date.
Alright.
Any date
Any
convenient.
date, Lordship.
No, give your date.
On 28th, Lordship.
20.
20.
Obliged.
Mr. C.K. Barrow, Leonard Government Advocate, appears for his phone number.
Much obliged.
41.
Lordship, timing for a timing, Lordship.
I time being.
Lordship, my senior went to Jumma prayer, Lordship. Jumma prayer.
Lordship. I can fixed any other date, Your Lordship.
Your good name, please.
P. Ghosh.
You are appearing on behalf of?
H. Ali, Lordship.
Okay, Hurt MS, B. Ghosh.
P.
P. Ghosh. Leonard Counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. H. Ali, Leonard Counsel for the petition on request made by Mr.
A.R. Karim for respondent number 7.
A.R. Karim, Leonard Counsel for respondent number 7. List the matter on when?
Any date, Your Lordship.
April
April
22nd.
2nd.
Obliged.
42.
And
Please, your lordship, my senior is lagging court number 20. Kindly pass over the math for the time being.
who appears for the respondent?
Orders.
Wait, please, your lordship. My lord, in this case, I am praying for struck off the name of respondent number 4.
43.
Yes, my lord.
Otherwise, I have appeared for respondent 1, 2, and 3 already
Wow.
filed affidavit, my lord.
Yes, my lord. Otherwise, case is ready, my lord. Maybe fixed for admission, covered, yes, my lord. Admission.
Why is it coming for
My lord,
order?
respondent number 4 service not completed, my lord.
You want to get it struck off?
Yes, my lord.
Then you'll have to file an IA.
My lord, in Loazima court, kindly see 12 March order dated.
That is there, but then there's a notification. You just can't strike it off now. You
Be-
file an IA?
My lord. Because of this, my lord, matter is delayed.
So you file an IA, then
My
we'll
lord.
strike it off. I'm not saying anything on your request.
My lord.
We'll list it after 1 week
My lord.
on request made by MSS Bora, then the council for petition.
My lord, 2 weeks, and kindly give a date, my lord. Before that, I'll file.
Okay, list the matter on after 2 weeks.
My lord.
My lord, my name may be
Then, my lord.
KK Parasar.
8.
My lord.
My name may be
KK
mentioned.
Parasar, then the CGC appears for the respondent.
1, 2, and 3, my lord. Obliged.
For the respondents, 120.
44.
Why is this content coming on?
44.
None appears for the petitioner. List after 2 weeks. Complete.
Second time lobo hai.
42 admission.
Please, your lordship. This is a dismissal from service, lordship, without any proper inquiry, lordship, and no opportunity was given to me. Lordship will find the inquiry report at page 55.
Who is appearing for the other side?
It's, I think, PH, lordship, public health. If the lordship comes to page 52, this is the so-called reply,
But that today I can take up.
lordship.
I'm not feeling so.
But then lordship may fix it another thing.
But who appears for PHE?
Hmm. Could you refer for it?
MS Kalita. M. Bhattacharjee. Talukdar, you'll be there for this respondents? Let them come.
Well, lordship may, if your lordship is not feeling well, lordship may fix it another day.
Give a date.
It's for your lordship's convenience, lordship.
Who is this standing council PHE? Heard Ireland council for the petition.
Big C.
Also heard MSA Talukdar, Leonard government advocate for the respond number.
Yes, the government is, this, all them are private, standing council lordship.
Yes.
Oh,
I'm sorry. I was on legs. On the petitioner will have to bring the records. It's a clear-cut case. He says he was not afforded, not opportunity. Wherever only perusal of these,
You have the records.
we can bring records.
Produce the records. Then
Yes.
Mr. D. Gogoi, Leonard, standing council PHE
PhD.
shall produce the records. Shall produce the records
Pertaining to this DP, my lords.
pertaining to the disciplinary proceeding against the petitioner. List.
is the correct? April.
I take it.
4th of April.
Photo of it.
Obliged.
Correct, my lord.
45 order.
Yes, I can.
My lord. My lord, I have sent a message, I require some time because this gentleman is physically ill and he told me that he did not know whether the pension has gone or not and whether the pension is paid as per the revised pay of scale. Here the scale was revised at the time of, before the time of his retirement. So, mother, 2 weeks time may be kindly granted.
Lordship, we have issued the pension payment order, Lordship, on
That I've already.
4th January, my lord.
I've already recorded thing earlier. On request made by Mr. R.C. Cycle and council for the petition. When do you want? List the matter after
After 2 weeks,
2 weeks.
obliged.
Mr. R.K. Talukdar, then the council appears for respond number 2.
Lordship, that may be fixed, Lordship, because case is in process, my lord.
They will come up after 2 weeks.
46.
46.
May please,
Yes.
the petitioner has expired, my lordship, and we have filed our substitution petition.
Where's that petition?
It's not brought on record. We have filed it today. So matter may kindly be listed after a week, my lord.
Mr.
P.S. Raza, my lordship.
The council for the petitioner submits that the petition has expired during the pendency of this contempt petition. And accordingly, the legal heirs have filed an IA for substitution. Stop. Accordingly, list this matter along with, list this matter on after 1 week.
After week. Earlier week. 47.
So this is a contempt petition, my lordship, against the order dated 21/1/2022 at page number 70.
Earlier orders that they've already passed a speaking order.
They've already passed a speaking order, but they were to file an affidavit, bringing the speaking order into records.
No, not an affidavit, but to produce the report by way of an affidavit. Where is this? Who is the counsel?
APTCL counsel is not present.
Who?
Mr. KP Pathak, Mr. B. Chaudhary, and they were there, my lord, in this.
B.N. Goswami.
P.N. Goswami, yes, lordship. Mr. KP Pathak and B. Chaudhary.
Can you check up? We'll take up after the last, we'll take up as the last item.
Or lordship may be fixed on Monday or Tuesday also, my lord.
Heard Mr.
P.K. Bordelais.
P.K. Bordelais and the counsel for the petition. None appears for the response.
Otherwise, lordship, this case already the speaking order has been passed, is complied.
List the matter on 20.
Lordship.
48.
If you know that the speaking order has been passed, then we can close the contempt.
Lordship, but last order was that to file
You are
it.
appearing?
So,
Lordship, I am appearing for 48, Lordship.
no, 47.
47, Lordship. Okay.
48, yes.
Lordship, in this
48.
matter,
Lordship,
I seek some time, Lordship.
Why?
Lordship, instructions is awaited, Lordship. Instructions is
Last occasion.
last occasion also. Yes, Lordship, we have short time, Lordship. Regarding this, Lordship, some review has been filed, Lordship, but I have to query.
Okay, heard Mr.
MR Sodial.
Emma
Sodial.
Sodial. Learned counsel for the petition on request made by Mr. R.M. Das, learned counsel
Lordship.
for
What?
appearing for all the respondents.
All right.
How much time?
Lordship, 4 weeks time, Lordship.
Not 4 weeks.
3 weeks then, Lordship.
3 weeks time is allowed to enable him to receive this.
Lordship.
Deeply obliged.
After 3 weeks.
49.
In this case, there is an order, my lord, 29/11/2023, 29/11/2023.
Yes.
Last, my lord. No one appeared, my lord. Last, in terms of the order passed by this court, notice has been deemed to be served so and so, so and so. Today, no one appears on bearer. So the court was
Nayak is appearing today.
Lordship, I am appearing. Lordship, here, as per our instruction, Lordship, provisional pension and provisional DCRG has been already granted to the petition, my lords. Now, as per my instruction, Lordship, the department needed certain details from the petitioner, my lords, and they have written certain communications. But the petitioner has not contacted them, because of which they require certain details, my lord.
Yes, Gora.
No, my lord, as per answer, yesterday also I commented, there is no any receive any
Lordship, I can
communication.
produce those
My lord,
letters.
there is an order, my lord. Please may kindly see order, my lord. Page 11, my lord. What is their compliance, my lord? Page 11. Now turn into page 15. Para number 16, my lord. Since married, my lord. Page 15, para number 16. Since the writ petitioner has not been found guilty in any departmental proceeding or judicial producer gave misconduct or negligence, power under Rule 21 also cannot be invoked so as to withholding his pension. Therefore, a writ of mandamus would lie in this case, directing the respondents to take necessary steps for finalizing the pension of the petitioner. For reasons stated or petition allowed, respondent number 1 and 2 are hereby directed forthwith take steps for finalizing the pension of the petitioner
Yes,
and for relief.
Lordship,
What
here,
is there, my lord, doing, my lord?
yes, Lordship, here, without the cooperation of the petitioner.
What cooperation, my
Lordship, we
lord?
have written it,
They
we,
did not-
I can produce 2 letters, my lord, where we have written to the petitioner to come and, if he comes to the office of the establishment B once, if my learned friend can produce any such record where he has visited and we have not cooperated, my lord, as per
What
the.
is their duty, my lord? My lord, by
Our duty
order,
is to run
this
after
order
the
has
petitioner.
been passed on 12/5/2023, my lord.
Mr. Bora,
My lord,
they want some clarifications from you.
my lord.
For
They're
finalizing.
requesting
But
you.
we
to-
are not receiving any,
Talk
my
to
lord.
your-
Now he is,
I'm-
now he is aware, my lord.
Now you
Let
are
him
aware,
go once,
you
let him
inform,
go.
you inform your petitioner to go to the office. Then now you are getting provisional pension.
Before filing this writ petition, provisional pension
pension.
is there.
Provisional
Before filing this writ petition.
DCRG,
DCRG, my lord.
Provisional DCRG was also being paid, my lord, as per my.
But regarding in pension, full pension is
Lordship,
concerned, my
those
lord.
details we need, and we are not being able to get the details because.
Now,
as per-
what notice? Please may give me.
Mr. N.
I'll
Bora,
produce those letters, my lord.
Learned
I'll just
counsel
send
for
it
the
to you.
petitioner. Mr. H. Alian, learned counsel for the respondent number,
Lordship, here I'm appearing for
finance,
both respondent number 1 and 2, Lordship.
appearing for both the respondents.
So, respondent 1 and 2, Lordship. He is accountant.
Respondents, appearing for the respondents 1 and 2. Submits that the provisional pension as well as provisional DCRG
What's up?
has been paid to the petitioner, is being paid to the, has been paid to the petitioner. Stop. However, comma, as the respondent office requires some clarification from the petitioner. The petitioner requires some clarification, comma. The petitioner was intimated to come to the office for such clarification. However, till date, petitioner is yet to approach the respondents. Stop. Bora, Mr. N. Bora, learned counsel for petitioner shall instruct the.
Yes, sir, there is no any communication received.
Shall instruct the petitioner to approach the office of the respondents 1 and 2
Establishment B.
for any
Huh?
clarification that may be required. When do you want?
My lord, within 5 or 7 days, my lord.
Finish the matter on 1st April.
My lord.
Let him appear.
Let the petitioner be there, Lordship. They'll be able to inform the court only as if what steps we have taken, Lordship. Let them go visit once. That is all I'm stating, my lord.
My lord. First, my lord, April 1st, huh? Not so.
So I'm praying for police time to file my affidavit, man.
File your affidavit. Hurt, Mr.
My lord, this is 3rd April, my lord. 1st April, I have some examination. My lord.
Let him file affidavit, my lord.
Hurt,
Only-
Mr. DK Das, learned counsel for the petition. Mr.
Yes, Bora,
S.
for the
Bora,
sole
learned counsel appearing for the sole respondent. Praise for,
Police, Lordship.
Not for, my lord.
make it 3 weeks.
Not 3 weeks, no, 2 weeks, my lord.
And a late,
Praise for 3 weeks,
3 weeks later.
3 weeks time to file affidavit. Praise or not. List after 3 weeks.
Date may be fixed, my lord, after 3 weeks. Any date may be.
Date fix. 1 week.
Date, my lord.
3 weeks. 22nd April.
Obliged.
54 of supplementary list.
My lord, item 44, my lord. It was passed, it was my item, my lord. 44, that is, order has been passed, my lord.
What order?
Non-appears for him, my lord.
Hmm?
Non-appears for.
You were not there.
That is true, my lord. I could not reach the court in time, my lord. My appearance may be shown, my lord, if possible. Item 44. If order was not signed, my lord.
Just check. It.
Right.
If it has not been uploaded, you say hard swings. Hard DK Das.
Right.
54.
Lordship, as per office note, Lordship, service been completed, Lordship.
Hmm?
Service deemed completed, Lordship. Lordship, kindly peruse the
One
last
minute.
line of the last
One
order,
minute,
Lordship.
1 minute. 3 and 4. What the respondents 3 and 4. Inquiry officer. This is a disciplinary proceeding.
Lordship.
Why do you want to implement them? 3 and 4. It's getting delayed because of this.
Lordship, service has already been completed.
Where is the order?
Last Lazima order, Lordship.
Flag P and Q. Where's flag P and Q? You are applying for?
For Central Bank of India, your lordship.
You file your affidavit?
No, I have not filed yet.
Okay, heard, mister?
The-
Sharma.
The last line of the last order, Lordship, kindly read. It's a subsistence allowance and leave encashment, they have been kept withheld, Lordship. Then maybe like to release, Lordship.
May I please, your lord? Your lordship, the said amount has already been credited in the petitioner's OD account.
So that may be transferred to
No, your lordship,
a
it
saving
cannot be,
account.
because he is having a loan account with us. And even if you will put it in the saving account, that will be marked lien as per section 171 of the Contract Act. So there was no use of it.
You are the main respondent?
Yes, your lord.
Heard, mister?
$D, Lordship.
$D in the counsel for the petition. Peruse the proceedings of the, no, don't say peruse. Peruse the order dated 14/3/2024 of the Lawazima Court. And accordingly, the notice on respondents 3 and 4 shall be deemed to be complete. Mr.
M. Sharma.
M. Sharma, the standing counsel.
For Central Bank of India, and remaining are your lordship, Assistant General Manager, Inquiry Authority, and the branch manager.
So you can appear for all.
Yes, your lordship, but they are not the necessary party, I think, your lordship. If your lordship allowed, your lord.
You can appear for appearing for the Central Bank of India. Place for how much time?
Your lordship, 4 weeks may be given.
Why 4 weeks? Place for 4 weeks time to file affidavit. Place allowed, list after 4 weeks.
Highly obliged.
In the admission column.
Highly.
55.
What is this? This.
May I please, Lord?
What is this IA?
I, for correction in the cost title, your lordship. Your lordship, what happened in the writ petition, some of the petitioners, they have already died. So these petitioners, they were represented by their legal heirs. So I have prayed for liberty to correction the said cost title. So Honorable Court has
Writ
given.
petition is still pending?
Yes, your lordship. Your lordship may kindly peruse page
Which petitioner died?
petitioner in the writ petition, your lordship. Petitioner number 5, 6, 5, 6, then 13, and 20.
They've all died.
Yes, maximum they have died, or around 14 or 13. So inadvertently, this mistake has been committed. So I would like to correct that. This, your lordship.
Now, how do you want to correct it?
By amending the cost petitioner.
Already you knew that they were dead.
Yes, your lordship.
Oh, within bracket is all the expired.
Yes,
expired.
Your Lordship.
How?
So there is an order, Your Lordship.
How
Mm.
can we have a post title amended, so many expiries?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Why not you just withdraw and file fresh? That is better.
Because they have to file the amendment petition.
You have to file your amendment.
Then Your Lordship may kindly allow me to file the amended petition.
You can't do that. You'll have to file an IA.
Yes, they can hear it.
So if you want to go through that long procedure,
Yes.
better you withdraw this file afresh. Is there any entry moderator?
No, Your Lordship.
There's no interest.
So there's no, it's up to you. I can. What is in the IA?
IA for correction of this cost title, Your Lordship, the petitioner's need, Your Lordship. And honorable court was given me liberty to correct the same, Your Lordship.
When did the liberty was given to correct?
Your Lordship, at page
38, 2023.
Hmm?
The last order is of 38, 2023.
Page?
Page 22, Your Lordship.
11 page at 23, Your Lordship. Last line.
So you wanted to file an IA for airing the
Yes, Your Lordship.
proper parties in the
Yes, Your
petition.
Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship.
So, and by this IA, what do you want?
By this one, by this IA, I want to correct those cost petitioner, Your Lordship.
By substitution?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Lordship, kindly see the affidavit.
Which affidavit?
Affidavit in the writ petition, Lordship. Lordship will see the first paragraph. I am competent. I am authorized. How can a dead person can authorize him, Lordship? For filing a wrong affidavit, Lordship. Lordship should dismiss this petition, Lordship, and also action is be imposed upon the petitioner, Lordship.
You have taken all the signatures of.
Signatures of the person who have died. I have taken the signature of all the petitioner, Your Lordship, the relatives.
Including those who have died.
No, Your Lordship. Only the relatives, Your Lordship. So inadvertently, this mistake was committed, Your
So
Lordship.
you have to change your affidavit also. Why not you withdraw this and file
Yes, Your
afresh?
Lordship.
That's a better thing.
I will withdraw, Your Lordship.
Mr.
S. Decker.
Counsel for petitioner prays for withdrawal of this writ petition with liberty to file afresh.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yeah. Who appears? Mr.
The Bodler for respondent number 2, 4, and 5.
1 minute, MS.A. Talukdar, Learned Government Advocate appears for the respondents. 1 and 3, and Mr. G. Bodler.
Yes, Your Lordship. For respondent number
You are standing counsel cooperation
4%. Yes, Your Lordship.
for respondents 2,
2, 4, 5, and 6, Your Lordship.
2, 5, and 6, and Mr. P. Nayak,
I'm
Learned
for
standing
4,
counsel, finance for
Finance for
respondent number 4. So, with petition is dismissed on withdrawal with liberty as per.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
I Lord.
I also.
In view of the order passed today in the main writ petition, I stands disposed.
51 hearing.
51, hearing.
May I please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, kindly period order dated 13/2, Lordship. Passed by Your Lordship.
2.
Yes.
Yes.
So Mr. Dhar, Lordship, he has to apprise the court, Lordship, regarding the receipt of that proposal, Lordship.
Standing counsel handloom.
Yes.
The name of the standing counsel handloom is not reflected in the cause list, my lord. I think that is why he is not here.
Lordship, kindly fix another date, Lordship, and direction will issue to
Heard MS
P. Bhattacharya.
P. Bhattacharya, learned counsel for the petition. Registry is directed to reflect the name of the non-standing council, handloom, textile and sericulture
Arthur.
in the cost list. And list the matter again on after your,
A date, after Bihu, one date may be fixed. Lordship.
after Bihu.
Yes, Lordship, it is.
And list the matter again on 24th April.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
Yes, Lordship.